Yo guys, and welcome back by this amazing new video here once again on the channel. Of course, today we are doing once again another amazing live stream, and thank you already for tuning in here, guys. It's absolutely very beautiful that you guys are tuning in here because we're right now having a very exciting moment here in the Bitcoin price action. If we are looking to the price action of Bitcoin right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin is forming this symmetrical triangle here, and guys, we love to trade these symmetrical triangles because symmetrical triangles here are one of my favorite patterns here to play on Bitcoin. So guys, let me know what you guys are already thinking here on the chat. I already see that we got a new member here that just joined on here onto the Crypto Rover team here. So absolutely grateful that you're already tuning in here. I see also already 400 of you guys are already going in here. And let me know how you guys are feeling here, how you guys are doing here. Of course, today a very exciting day here because the Bitcoin price is moving quite a bit here. We can see the fight on India. India, of course, trying to ban Bitcoin here. There's a lot of things right now going currently on here in the market. Of course, also on the Twitter page, I'm keeping you guys up to date here because we're seeing still a lot of interesting things here. If we are looking to the on-chain data here, you can still see that the balance on these exchanges here, my head is right now in front of it, but you can see that we are right now sitting, unfortunately my head is in front of it, but you can see right now that we are right now having the least amount of available Bitcoin on exchanges since ever before. So when you look to this thing, to this on-chain data, of course, it is looking very interesting. And of course, we will be looking forward to see where we are heading towards. And I see all you guys are already doing here. Screen isn't working. Let me know. What do you exactly mean here? Let me know if everything is working here. Have you do you still have your low leverage long on? No, I don't have it anymore. And we will be looking for a new opportunity, of course. So let me see. So, yeah, let's go right away in the chart here. Let's first start off with Bitcoin, of course. We can see Bitcoin, it looks like that we are breaking out to the top side here of the symmetrical triangle. And we're also flipping this candle right now into the green here. So it's absolutely beautiful to see, of course. So let's see where we are heading towards with Bitcoin, because breaking out to the top side here can definitely be a very strong thing here. And let me look at the price target again, where we definitely, where we possibly can head towards, because it right now is looking like a clear breakout to the top side here. And if we're going to see this breakout to the top side here, we're going to see a 5.6% here. 5.6% move to the upside here. So that will be, of course, very, very amazing if we can see so. And I see you guys are already tuning in here and saying, hi, Rover, how you're doing here. So absolutely grateful that you guys are also tuning in here and asking how I'm doing. I'm doing very good here. And also looking to the subscribers, we're only 3 subscribers away from the 25.4K. So that's also very motivating. But today it will mainly go about the symmetrical triangle here on Bitcoin. And people are saying, should we sell? And in my opinion, no, you will not sell at these lows here. Of course, I won't give any financial advice here. You can always do what you do yourself. But I mean, I feel still very bullish about the market, even though that we had this correction. You want to benefit from these corrections. And even though some data is saying that we are bearish right now, and some other data is saying that we are actually extremely bullish here. So in my opinion, the market sentiment is more to the upside here, and also still think these stimulus checks, of course, getting written down here today also can do very strong here. And a lot of fear is right now in the market, and once there is so many fear in the market, you have to buy here, in my opinion, because I'm always buying the fear and I'm always selling the greed here. And right now we are in huge fear here, and I am planning to see Bitcoin going higher. And especially right now we are seeing that Bitcoin is breaking to the top side of the symmetrical triangle here, and this is definitely a very strong opportunity that you're right now having here. And in my opinion, we are already seeing a breakout here to the top side. So I think that we're going to see massive follow through to the upside in this stream live together here. So guys, let me know what you guys are thinking of it. For now on, I'm not in a trade here. I can definitely consider opening a trade anytime soon here, but for now on, I will not do it here. Of course, still in my private account, I'm still in trades here, but for the trade challenge, I will wait a little bit longer on the sidelines because, of course, we are not seeing a clear reversal yet. And I do want to see a clear reversal before entering new trades here. And also right away getting a super chat from Simon. You're saying don't panic sell. And you're completely right here, because we don't want to panic sell here. Because if you're selling your Bitcoin right now, you don't know who you're selling here. You don't know who you are selling to, man. You're selling to these whales, you're selling to these bigger players, you're selling to Michael Saylor because he is still buying here. And you want to be careful here, guys. You want to be careful. But in my opinion, yes, we're going to see massive follow through today live in the stream. And that's also the reason why we are streaming right now here, because right now we are looking at the symmetrical triangle here. And we can also see that some altcoins are right now popping off here. And I will still set this trading target here towards the, let's say, the 58 towards the 59k here for the symmetrical triangle breaking out here. So I feel very, very bullish about this here. And everyone is saying here, let's trade this. And yeah, you have definitely the opportunity right now to trade this this moment here. And you can also see Fibonacci showing a lot of significance. Golden pocket entry. If you really want to enter Bitcoin right now, you could have already done it around the 54.7k here, and I think definitely we're going to see more follow-through, and definitely consider taking profits around the 57k here, because we haven't seen a clear reversal. And at least on my private account, on my private trades here, I will be taking partially profits, at least 50% once reaching the 57.5k here, and it's definitely a thing that you have to do as well here, in my opinion. So I mean, taking profits is never bad. But also, I do want to talk about Ethereum, because a coin that is right now showing a lot of strength here is Ethereum. Ethereum, I mean, I'm still surprised that Ethereum is only sitting around $1,800 here, because it's performing so strong here. You can see we were forming this ascending broadening wedge, or we were forming this bull flag. It's really to look at it, but we are right now finding also support at the previous resistance line on the top side here. So that's also making me feel pretty insane bullish here about Ethereum. And also looking at the gray box is holding up here, so Ethereum is showing a solid bounce here to the upside. And also, once we were reversing to the downside, we were creating a big wick here, so that's also a thing that you do want to keep in mind here. Big wick on the lower sides here are usually very bullish, and we are seeing a hammer candle also on the 4-hourly play out for Ethereum. And this is looking so strong here, and that's also the reason why I'm right now in a long position on Ethereum with private accounts here. Quickly, we'll give you an update here, but look at this here. Of course, we are still trading against this gray box resistance line here, already breaking above it for now. But what I do like to see here is that we finally, once again, because we previously also did it, but then we saw the fake out here, but once again, we are breaking out of this downward sloping resistance line here for Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. And this is the chart that you do want to look at here if you're trading Ethereum, because you want to compare Ethereum to Bitcoin and see how it performs here. So if you look to that chart here, it's looking very strong, and you can see once again here the previous resistance. Sorry for my text here, that was not my my point here, but I mean, you can see here once again previous resistance flipping into support. So definitely we can see Ethereum heading towards higher levels, and especially if you look to this scenario, because we are on the channel, of course, already anticipating that Ethereum is going to bounce back here to the upside of these ranges here for a longer period of time. Already since the beginning of March, I'm saying to you guys, I think Ethereum will be dominating this month here and will be very strong. For now on, we haven't seen a clear bounce to the upside yet, but we can see that this level is strongly getting respected here. So I literally love to see this level get respected here, and we are once again seeing another bounce from it. So of course, we already discussed this so many times here, but I do want to say it once again. Don't forget to accumulate some Ethereum here, because Ethereum is right now also having a huge sell-off, and you can also see that it is increasing in valuation to the upside here compared to Bitcoin. So still, you are not too late yet here. I will do this like this. Give me a second. Oh, my training feels a little bit laggy. So but yeah, I mean, you're still having a very strong opportunity here to accumulate some more here. And why can't I make it smaller than this? Okay, then I have to do it like this. But if you're going to see a move to the upside here for Ethereum, because we are going to see this move to the upside, it's just a matter of time. And if we're not going to see a move to the upside, and if we're still going to reverse to the downside, this gray box will be a next accumulation level, because here you can also see we got this fake out over here, but in my opinion, we can really reverse to the upside here. And once seeing this reverse to the upside, this can be a 52% move compared to Bitcoin. So get ready, get into these seats. And I mean, I won't want to miss this rocket ship here, because Ethereum is still looking strong here compared to Bitcoin, and Ethereum is going to blast off anytime soon here. It's just a matter of time. And right now, of course, we created multiple resistance lines here, and we do want to break them. And also getting another super chat here. The Bitcoin dominance strongly rejected by the 50-week moving average. So I will be looking to the Bitcoin dominance here. So let me check this real quickly. You are saying Bitcoin is getting rejected by the 50-week. Wait, okay, I can sure this one. So yeah, you can see the 50-week moving average. So the green line here on the top side, you can see it's once again, yeah, rejecting Bitcoin here. So that's of course very nice to see here. You can also see already we are heading towards lower levels here. The Bitcoin dominance is already looking pretty bearish in my opinion. Already previously we were seeing that it was forming very bearish patterns, but yeah, you can also see right now the 50 weekly moving average is right now also acting as resistance for Bitcoin. So that is absolutely very interesting. And the 200 week moving average, of course, still on the lower side. It will probably act as very strong support still. So once we are breaking that level as well, yeah, I will be flipping insanely bullish here, but yeah, we do want to wait a little bit longer here. And I mean, on the daily we have a depth cross here on the Bitcoin dominance, so that's also a very strong thing to see. And you can also see that the 200-day moving average on the daily is also rejecting the Bitcoin dominance here. So of course that's very exciting. And the thing that I do like to see here is because if you look to the altcoin dominance here, you can see that the 200-day and the 50-day moving average is acting as support instead of resistance. So in my opinion, these altcoins are looking very strong here. The altcoins are looking to blast off anytime soon here. And I mean, I feel very excited about this. And I see you guys are already tuning in a lot here. You guys are all tuning into the stream here. Having 1,000 live viewers already here, guys. Make sure to smash up these likes here. It would be very cool if we can do so. And yeah, it would be very cool if we can smash up these likes here. It would definitely be a very strong thing here. And I would certainly love you guys to see, yeah, I would certainly love to see these likes going up here. Right now having 130 likes here. I think we can definitely head higher here. And people are saying the stream is lagging very hard. Is that from my side or is it from your side? Let me know, guys, in the chat. Is the stream lagging or not? Because I want to know it, because otherwise I have to fix something here. People are saying, gosh, the lag. Is it really lag from my side? I don't really know here. I do have good connection on my side, so I don't think it's really a thing from my side here. Let me know if the connection is still okay here for the stream. Let me know if it's still okay, because otherwise we have to do something, because we don't want to be lagging here, and otherwise we have to fix something. And I mean, we're going to close the 1 hourly candle, guys. We're going to close the 1 hourly candle in just 36 seconds here. So we're going to break out to the top side here, and we're finding resistance. We're finding support at the previous resistance line here was very good here. We're creating the wick on the lower side here. So the next 1 hourly candle, maybe we can create another wick on the lower sides, and that will be only giving more confirmations and also more confirmations to open a trade as well here. So it's looking very strong. And people are all saying, cool from my side, no lag. Okay, everyone is saying that there is no lag. So thank you guys so much for letting me know here. You guys are true legends. You guys are so supportive for letting me know once again. And quickly want to say this, guys. We are just hitting already the 25.4k subscribers. So thank you so much for hitting that subscriber button as well here. And I also do want to reach a target today, guys. Can we reach the 10,000 members in the Discord server? That will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. Because right now we are having, let's see. We are right now having, let me look at the Discord account here. 9,800 members in the Discord server. So let's see, we only need 180 members more till we reach the 10k members. So if you haven't already, you can right now head towards the description or head towards the live chat and join the Discord server as well, because we're building this strong community. And also getting another super chat here. You're saying, let me quickly check it here, because you are saying something and we do want to check your donation, of course. So first of all, thank you for sending your super chat here. You're, of course, a very amazing guy that you are supporting the channel here. So I will quickly look at it. And you were saying something about Mooncoin. Buy SaveMoon. Buy SaveMoon. So I will of course look into SaveMoon here. I don't exactly know that coin here. So yeah, of course, a lot of interesting things are going on to the market, and also we'll go into Polka markets, because Polka markets performing very strong here, and DDS Store also doing very good. And recently also announced that I bought these two coins here, and Polka markets is doing so strong. I will go into it in a second, guys. We will also go into more altcoins here today in the stream, and of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum will be the main topic here of today. But yeah, this coin, you can see 160% increase in valuation, and of course, this is a very low cap, so you want to be careful here. You can see market cap is even not clear here, but yeah, I mean, you can see a very nice increasement in price. So you do want to be careful, guys, with these kinds of coins here. I mean, this can really wreck you, and I would not recommend buying into it unless the fundamentals are very strong here. But look at Polka markets, guys. Look at Polka markets right now, sitting around almost $4. I bought this one around $1.80 just let's say 4 days ago, and I told you guys also in the stream, and I also told you guys in the Discord server. I told in alt holding chat. So I told you I bought some. I told you I bought a huge into Polka markets, and right now already performing very strong here. And you can also see DDS, of course, only on CoinGecko here, but also getting another super chat here from Farhan, and you're saying no lag from my side. Also, what is the weekly RSI like? So I will go also in the weekly RSI after this. After the weekly RSI, I will be going into DDS here because DDS is also doing very strong. But yeah, look at Bitcoin. Would certainly love to see another retest of this level because then it can give you an opportunity to maybe trade it. And if you want to trade it here, you can definitely join. And this is a different scenario. So if you look at this scenario, we haven't broke it yet here. So of course, it really depends on how you are looking to this symmetrical triangle. There are multiple opportunities and multiple possibilities how you look at it. So of course, we can still redraw our symmetrical triangle here, but for now on it is looking like that we are seeing a breakout here. But if you more draw it like this, yeah, you can say we haven't broken out yet. So it really depends on how you look at it. And yeah, of course we want to just see more volatility getting created here, but I mean we are coming to an apex, we're coming to the end of this symmetrical triangle here. So I will be definitely looking forward to see where we are heading towards. So how is the weekly RSI looking for Bitcoin? And yeah, you can see the weekly RSI for Bitcoin is still pretty overbought here. And you can also see in previous bull markets, you can see that we were also having another donation, and you were saying, can you check BNB TA? And I will check BNB after this, so thank you so much for your support of donation here, and I will be looking into it. But you can see in the previous bull market, you can see that here you can see that you are having this weekly RSI cool-off period. So you're seeing the RSI is not heading, that the RSI hit is going out of the overbought territorium, back into normal territorium, and then going overbought once again here. But right now, we are having a different scenario here, because you can see that the weekly is only been overextended since we were starting this run-up since the 10K here. So this is a thing that you do want to keep in mind here, and that is my reason also why I say you want to be careful, because we can maybe see a cool-off period for, let's say, 3 or 4 weeks, and it will definitely be a good thing because we can accumulate for 4 weeks or so. So that will be, of course, very lovely to see if we can have that. And Member for Life also saying, forget Polka Loom at 88, it's going well. So I will also look in that in a second, man. I see a lot of supportive donations coming in here, so I will, of course, discuss every single thing here. And thank you guys so much here. But the weekly RSI is, of course, still overextended. And if we're going to see something similar like previously, so if we're going to go in normal territoriums for the RSI, it will be definitely a very strong thing and a very good thing as well here for Bitcoin. So we can finally cool off and extend the bull run for even longer here. So right away, I will be looking at Binance Coin, because Binance Coin is also very strong support, very strong. At the moment here, you can see Binance Coin is, at the moment it's not looking very strong, to be honest, but it was previously looking very strong here. But I will extend these gray boxes here, because these gray boxes here are usually looking very strong and usually acting as very strong support and resistance. So I will go back into the 4-hourly, and if you look at the 4-hourly supportive line, not getting respected, breaking down here, so it was not holding up. And since breaking down, you saw this very red candle for BNB, and of course mainly because of Bitcoin dumping out and Ethereum, they were just freaking out, and it is dragging these other altcoins with it. So Binance Coin is right now not holding up on the support line, what is of course pretty unfortunate, but you can draw multiple new supportive lines here for the BNB price action. So of course we can look at multiple scenarios here, but if you look at this scenario here, you can see the gray box is holding up as support, but you are right now trying to fight back to break this resistance line once again, what was previously acting as support. So that was pretty unfortunate that we right now have to fight back here, because previously it was just acting as support, but mainly because Bitcoin was freaking out, we right now have to fight our way back up here and then maybe continue the uptrend here. But the 4-hourly is almost heading towards oversold territory, and what is looking very good, because once we are oversold, you have maybe possibilities to accumulate some more BNB. So that is the thing what is making me feel very exciting. But what you can also see here is that you are creating a higher low, but a lower low in the RSI. So this is also saying that we are creating a bullish divergence. So in my opinion, BNB is not looking bad at all here, looking to go higher anytime soon here, and also with Ethereum looking so strong here, I definitely can think this Binance Coin can go also way higher. And if Ethereum is going to moon here, you have to know a lot of altcoins will follow as well, a lot of altcoins will moon, and a lot of altcoins will literally go double digits within just a matter of a day here. So Also, we'll look at Polka Loom, because Member for Life was saying, don't forget to look at Polka Loom. So forget you're saying forget Polka. Loom, look at ADA. It's going well. So I will look at ADA for you, my friend. So you wrote it differently. So I mean, yeah, ADA. Forget about Polka markets. Look at ADA, because ADA is right now crushing it, and you're completely right here. And everyone is still saying ADA in the chat. And guys, sorry, I was not looking at the chat yet, but right now the chat is updated once again here, because I had to refresh it. I had to look into these super chats here. So sorry, I will be looking at ADA here. Give me a second. Right now, ADA, of course, very exciting what we are seeing here. 4 hourly showing massive volatility here. And of course, this is lovely to see here, because first I will be looking at the ADA compared to Bitcoin valuation. ADA compared to Bitcoin, right now trading at resistance. So this is the thing that you do want to look at. Right away, we'll spot some levels of resistance and support here. But if you look to ADA, compared to Ethereum, you can also see it was trading at support, and we were discussing this every single day in the stream, guys, and you have to know it. I was telling you guys, if you look to the daily, you can see massive resistance levels. You can see on Ethereum compared to ADA, you can see massive resistance levels, and I told you guys, once touching this level, we can see a massive bounce here for ADA, and right now we are seeing this massive bounce for ADA. And also getting 2 more super chats here. One is saying from Tony, and you're saying bears the version on the weekly RSI Bitcoin. I will check that in a second here. Member for Life is saying, no, look at ADA, it's listed on Coinbase. Oh, that is the reason why. I haven't read that yet. So ADA listed on Coinbase, of course, boosting the price of ADA very nicely. But you can see massive bounce from off this level. What is looking very good for the price action of ADA, guys. This is absolutely crazy to see here. Crazy to see. And also lovely to see. And also looking at this chart, this is absolutely also crushing it. If you look to this possibility of this supportive line here, you can also see it was acting once again as very strong support, and it was showing a lot of respect. And we were discussing these levels already for such a long period of time here. That is, of course, looking very strong. And I see everyone saying in the chat, ADA is listed to Coinbase, confirmed on the 18th. Guys, I can see it right now. Sorry, I was not looking into it. And it's the news rover, not TA. Oh yeah, it's of course very nice to see here. It's very nice, lovely to see. Of course, I haven't read it yet here. I don't know when it was announced here, but it's very good to see. Of course, it was just recently got announced here. It's just recently got announced. So guys, this is very fresh news here, what we have for ADA. And ADA, of course, it is right now still trading at resistance, so you do want to be looking at that as well here. But I mean, if you also look at this massive symmetrical triangle, you can see a breakout of this. And of course, the news right now coming out for ADA listed on Coinbase can definitely help the price of ADA push higher and further and further and further. And everyone is saying ADA is going nuts here. So we just recently got a word in that ADA is listed on Coinbase. So because ADA is right now listed on Coinbase, this is of course helping the price of ADA. A lot of hype around it, and of course the long-term vision for ADA is looking very strong, guys. And that's the thing that I love the most right now, because I'm always looking at long-term, and especially ADA looking very strong for long-term. And this, that are getting listed on Coinbase, of course, another step forward and a very good thing to see here. Check the Twitter of Coinbase or Charles. So I will check the Twitter as well here. And guys, by the way, if you haven't followed me on Twitter as well here, you can right now follow me as well here on Twitter, because that will be, of course, very amazing. Recently, I've gone very active on Twitter, and I will be very active on Twitter as well here. So doing daily, let's say 10 tweets or so. So make sure to also follow me on Twitter, because I'm doing very interesting things here. But I will quickly go to Coinbase here, because Coinbase is, of course, right now where the news is at here on Twitter. And let me check real quickly here. They are saying, of course, Bitcoin broke it. I see it not on the Coinbase Coinbase Twitter here. So that's, of course, not very nice to see here. Maybe on Charles. That's King. So yeah, he's saying, starting from today, inbound of transfers of ADA are now available on regions where trading is supported. So for Coinbase Pro, it's you can buy right now ADA. So this is, of course, it's not yet on Coinbase. It's on Coinbase Pro. You can see it's on Coinbase Pro. So starting from today already. So and trading will begin on Thursday, March 18. So that's also very nice. If the liquidities conditions are met. So very good news here for ADA. Very good news to see here, guys. I definitely love to see this, guys. Coinbase Pro. Yeah, everyone is saying it. Everyone is saying this. This is on Coinbase Pro here, so go to Coinbase Pro Twitter. Yeah, it's probably also on Coinbase Pro then. That's definitely the reason why we are having this. But I mean, guys, this is of course very amazing news to hear. This is very amazing to hear. So definitely we'll retweet this as well here on the Twitter page. So guys, thank you once again for letting me know here, because you guys in the chat are also very truly supportive, because you guys are all saying this. We are knowing this as well here. So you guys can also definitely make sure to follow me here on Twitter as well, because once I'm seeing something on the daily, I mean, once I'm not live, I will definitely keep you guys, of course, up to date here on the Twitter channel as well. So, of course, very exciting times what we are having here, and a lot of follow-through is getting created on ADA here, and it's definitely a lovely thing that we can see here. It's not on Coinbase Pro yet. I'm looking at it right now. Okay. They are saying that they're going to launch it once the liquidity conditions are met. So maybe it will take a little bit more time here. But I mean, at least at the 18th of March, it will be there on Coinbase Pro. So guys, let me know what you guys think about ADA right now, because ADA getting this huge announcement here is a very strong thing for ADA. Shit, ADA is going to the moon right now. Yeah, literally. And I mean, also just looking at the technicals here, because ADA was in a pretty heavy downtrend here. Right now, once again, a lot of hype around ADA. I definitely can think that we can see a major reversal here for a price action for ADA for the coming days here. It's on Coinbase Pro. Yeah, it's completely true. Coinbase Pro 20. Yeah, we already saw it. Yes, we all just saw it. But you can see ADA is still creating more follow-through here. This is absolutely lovely to see, and maybe we're right now seeing some profits shaping out of Bitcoin. People are going out of Bitcoin, going into ADA, because that's also the reason why you can see ADA popping off compared to Bitcoin here. So definitely a good thing to see here, guys. Definitely a good thing. And of course, I was accumulating ADA here, and like I told you before, the technicals were also ready for it, but of course it's mainly pushed because of the news here. But it's definitely helping that we are right now getting this news out here. So very nice to see. Back to Bitcoin, having trouble like every day, 55.7k. So Raymond, thank you for letting me know. Of course, Raymond, of course, also thank you for supporting the channel here. And I see also, guys, YouTube recently added this once again, and right now I have a live counter of the subscribers, so that's of course a very nice thing to have once again, because YouTube first removed that, and that was of course pretty unfortunate. But in my opinion, we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. If you look at this scenario, we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here, and it's definitely around the corner before really blasting off here either direction. So we can still go both the directions here, so that's the reason why I'm not personally in a trading challenge trade here. But the thing is, what we can do here is wait a moment here, sit down, relax, wait till we are seeing a confirmation of either direction, and then you can have a possibility to open a trade here. And if you want to trade here, you can definitely, of course, trade here on Femex, if you are willing to, of course. But I mean, guys, these are just exciting times here. This news coming out for ADA is looking very strong, guys. This is looking very strong for ADA, and it's definitely a very good thing here, in my opinion, that ADA can right now maybe continue the trend also once again to the upside because of this here. So, I mean, I feel very excited, and also watching with you guys here is the most lovely thing that I can do here, guys. The most lovely thing that I can do here. So, also we'll flip on the, let me see, the EMA ribbon here on the 4-hourly. And we'll also flip on the EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly. You can see we are right there trading below the EMA ribbon here. Because we're trading below the EMA ribbon, you can see we are right now will get rejected by the EMA ribbon. So this is of course a very heavy level that we have to fight back to. So it's very interesting what we are right now seeing here, and we want to see more strength returning into the market here. And in my opinion, yes, we can see more strength returning into the market. And the 1-hourly is also majorly getting rejected here. EMA ribbon really have to fight here once again. And on the 4-hourly, let me look at the 50 and 200 moving average on the 4-hourly, because we can maybe see some kind of a death cross coming in anytime soon here. But right now it's still looking okay for Bitcoin. Of course, seeing already this huge reversal for Bitcoin, but still the 50-day moving average is going to the upside here. So this will also be acting as very strong resistance, of course. So once going up here, you can see previously already getting rejected by this 50-day moving average. What is pretty unfortunate, of course, because we do want to break above it. So maybe once we're going higher, once again, these are definitely levels that you want to be careful and at least take some minor profits, guys. Because if you're not taking profits, you're getting wrecked. And we're not planning to get wrecked here. And of course, a very exciting day here. Let me know if you like me to do these daily streams here, because then I will definitely do them more frequently, and of course already doing daily streams here. But if you want to help me out here, if you want to support the channel here, guys, make sure to smash up that subscriber button, and make sure to smash up these likes here, because we are watching with 1,400 live viewers. Guys, you're insane. But we're only having 260 likes here, so let's work all together here. I will only ask 5 seconds of your time to smash up these likes here, and I think we can definitely, if we work together, we can smash this up to the 500 likes here. So it will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. So let me know if you haven't already, or if you have already. Let me know if you liked the video here. It will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. And also, we'll look at the total market capitalization here for the altcoins, because this is also a very interesting thing here, what we can look at here. You can see big wicks getting created here. And if you set up a horizontal here, maybe you can see that we are already finding some kind of support on this level here, previous resistance. But basically, the top side of this level, once I'm setting up here this gray box of resistance, once I'm setting up this gray box of resistance, this is really the top that we are right now trading at here for the altcoins. You can see still getting rejected by hitting this level here. So definitely we do want to break through this level, do want to break through the Fibonacci level on the top side here. So definitely a lot of levels that we still have to break here. But we are basically in an uptrend here for the altcoins dominance. So not dominance, for the altcoin market cap. So that is of course a very lovely thing to see here. But we are each and every time getting rejected once touching this gray box here. So this is the level that we will be keeping an eye out on. This is the level that we will be fighting against. So, of course, we will keep you guys up to date here. And also, we'll be looking at the Discord server because, man, oh man, I'm getting very exciting because we're only needing 160 more members to reach the 10K members in the Discord server. So let's see if we can reach that as well here. And people are all talking about ADA. People are all talking about ADA still. And I know the ADA news is very, very bullish for ADA. And of course, ADA will be an asset that we will be discussing a lot today here. I know it already, because ADA is just basically all the news. All the news is going to ADA right now. And of course, ADA is still showing more follow through here. It's still going high here. And of course, a very likely thing to see here. But you can see already the 5 minutes overextended. And also we'll look at the Bitcoin weekly RSI because we totally forgot it there. Because someone was saying, are we forming a bearish divergence on the weekly? Yes, we are forming a bearish divergence on the weekly, because you can see weekly topping out here at the highest point in the RSI, but then we were creating a higher high in the price chart. We were creating a higher high in the price chart, but we are creating a lower high in the RSI. So that is basically a bearish divergence. And then after that, we were creating once again a higher high in the Bitcoin price chart, but we are once again creating a lower high in the RSI. So we had another weekly bearish divergence. So seeing loads and loads of bearish divergences here for Bitcoin, what is of course pretty interesting. But this is not the only coin that was forming bearish divergences this was not only the only time frame that was creating bearish divergences, because you can also see on the daily RSI we're also forming a bearish divergence on Bitcoin. So multiple bearish divergences coming together here, pushing the price of Bitcoin a little bit lower here. But right now it's looking like that Bitcoin is recovering here. Bitcoin is trying to fight back here. And let's hope that Bitcoin can hold on here. And of course, I do think that Bitcoin can definitely do so. So Bitcoin will be the thing that we will be watching here for the coming minutes here. Because Bitcoin is looking to fight back here, guys. Bitcoin is very strong right now. Bitcoin is looking to break out to the top side of this symmetrical triangle here. And once breaking, of course, to the top side here, we can see a very nice price target for Bitcoin here. And I definitely will be looking forward to it, because we can maybe see a 59K towards 60K here. Sitting in just a matter of a few hours here, or maybe let's say 4 to 8 hours. We can definitely see it anytime soon here. And people are saying, what is the ADA news? ADA just recently got announced here that ADA is getting listed here on Coinbase Pro. So that's of course a very amazing thing here, and that's also the main reason why ADA is right now pushed higher here. So definitely a thing that you want to know here. And also, if you are following us already on Twitter here, you can see it right now. We are doing this retweet as well over here, because in this retweet we were telling you guys as well that we were seeing this news. So definitely make sure to follow us also as well here on Twitter, because I would certainly love it, because I'm getting very active on Twitter, and I will also do some more stuff on it here. Almost 3,000 followers. I see only 9 followers away. So at Rover Crypto, make sure to follow us as well here, because we're the thing here, because I will discuss this as well here. We were seeing these longs getting liquidated as well here. I posted it on Twitter as well. You can see in total approximately 2.2 billion US dollars in longs got liquidated. And at the end of the day, we lost, let's say, 150 billion in market capitalization for Bitcoin. So that was, of course, a pretty unfortunate thing what we were seeing here. But I mean, so many longs got liquidated here. So you have to be careful. Make sure to always use the stop loss, because otherwise you're also getting wrecked here. And that is, of course, a very important thing that you do want to do here. And also Elon Musk selling this NFT song here, this dubstep, or yeah, just this song as an NFT. So Elon Musk, of course, still a part of the hype here, still a part of the cryptocurrency space here. We will never forget him, and also just mainly posting a lot of interesting things here. So I see that we also almost reached 3,000 members here. So definitely a thing that you do want to do and do want to consider following us as well. Oh, Coinbase Pro. I missed the Pro part. Yeah, it's Coinbase Pro that's getting listed for ADA. Of course, not Coinbase yet. And I do think that Coinbase will follow anytime soon here, because Coinbase also want to just make a bigger user base here. And once they are doing so, then they definitely have to add Cardano as well here. And Dean Harvey, thank you for tuning in here once again here. And people are saying, can you give me please a Crypto.com update here? Because guys, I still feel extremely bullish about Crypto.com, and also recently, because I'm also going to stake more at Crypto.com here, and if you want to do it as well, you can use the Crypto.com app here, and if you haven't bought Crypto.com yet here, I mean, where are you waiting for to get exposed there? And by the way, I also just recently added a referral link in the description of the Crypto.com exchange here. So if you want to support me as well here, you can sign up through my referral link, because you will be getting $40 as bonus if you're signing up as well, and for me as well. So that would be of course very lovely if you're doing so, if you want to support the channel here. But I mean, Crypto.com once again fighting back, and like I told you before, Crypto.com will be very huge here in the coming 13 days, let's say 9 days. Is already going pretty quickly here, because the 25th of March, guys, the mainnet for Crypto.com will be launched here, and I think that we're going to see massive hype run up started for Crypto.com as well here. And maybe we're forming some kind of a downtrend right now. So this is the thing in the immediate short term what we have to be looking at here. So we can maybe say, yeah, we are forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle here. You can draw it however you want to, of course. But yeah, we are probably forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle once again here on the price action of Crypto.com here. So, of course, Crypto.com is still looking very strong here. This candle that we were seeing just a few hours ago, very nice candle. A lot of volatility was created here on Crypto.com here. So that was, of course, lovely to see. But in my opinion, yes, we can go way higher, and yes, the coin is very good, and the fundamentals are very good. The developer team is very good on Crypto.com. So Crypto.com is the new Binance coin here. Crypto.com will perform very strong here. They're still burning tokens, guys. Don't forget it. Don't be lagging behind here, because Crypto.com is still burning tokens, and once they are done with burning tokens, the circulating supply will be sitting around 80% here. So I do want to refresh this, because this is not looking good here. They're not showing all the significance here, but yeah, the circulating supply will be sitting around. Oh, the maximum supply just got away here from CoinMarketCap, but the circulating supply will be 80% once they're done with burning coins. So that's of course very exciting what we are having, and Crypto.com of course is a very strong and good coin in my opinion. On the 31st of March, we cannot use Femex anymore in the UK. Yeah, I know UK is of course also blocking these leverage trading exchanges. But that is the reason why you do want to use a VPN here anytime soon, because of course it really depends on you. But if you want to still trade on Femex, you can use a VPN here to still trade on it. But otherwise, yeah, maybe you can consider trading on Bybit here. And of course, maybe I can also look more into Bybit if you want to. But yeah, then you can still trade on Bybit, and also and there's still some opportunities here to do so. And people are saying, are you not in a BTC trade? I am in a BTC trade right now in a long position on a private account, but for the trading challenge, I still find it a little bit risky to enter it, because I do want to only enter good and safe trades here. And this can still go either direction. So once entering a trade, maybe we're going to do it live in the stream here, guys. Let me know if you want me to open a live trade in the stream. But of course, I will not feel any pressure, because once I'm feeling pressure, I will not make good trades here. So I still will be waiting here. We still have to wait a little bit longer, because we're very close to the apex here. We're going to see a breakout anytime soon here, but we're also getting a new super chat here, so let me quickly check it. It's once again from JLiv, and you're saying, could you quickly go through Litecoin, DOT, and Algo? Some coins we can leverage on Femex. I hope I'm not wrong, but we're seeing a symmetrical triangle on Algo. Keep it up, love the community, and shout out to Mr. Crypto. Yeah, Mr. Crypto is of course a very cool YouTuber here, and yeah, big shout out to him here. And if you haven't already followed him as well here on YouTube, you can definitely go to YouTube here. And Mr. Crypto, you can see him over here. A big shout out to him. Make sure to follow him as well here on YouTube, because he is a true legend here, and he's also doing a very strong job here. But yes, I will quickly go into it. And you're saying a symmetrical triangle here on Algorand here, so I will right away check Algorand for you. I will right away check Algorand here. And guys, by the way, I want to quickly say it. I see we are only 54 subscribers away from the 25.5k here. And let's see if we can reach it today. If you're new to this channel, make sure to already smash up that subscriber button. That would be, of course, a very amazing thing if you can do so. Would be, of course, very lovely if you are helping out the channel here. But yeah, you can see a symmetrical triangle here. But I don't really like the touch points here, because then you're only having one touch point, and that's not really a thing that I would like to see. I do want to see more touch points here on the start of the coin. But yeah, we were first seeing this symmetrical triangle here. We were considering taking it. But you can see it's already moving down here. And maybe we are just in this general uptrend here, and also getting another support of the nation here. Thanks for answering my question. No problem here. No problem. I would certainly love to answer every single question here, but guys, you have to know we are getting loads and loads of questions coming in right now. So of course, I would certainly love to answer every single question here, but it's very hard to do so. So maybe we're trading in some kind of a parallel channel here for Algorand. It's very hard to say where Algorand is right now heading towards, but I think it's mainly going to the upside here. But I'm not really seeing a symmetrical triangle here, because I don't really like the touch points here. I do want to see more touch points if we really want to call it a symmetrical triangle here. But yeah, we do want to see and where it is going towards. But I mean, very hard to say where Algorand is heading towards at the moment. Very hard to say. Yeah, we're still having this supportive line here with a fake out over here. So this will definitely be a level that you can take in consideration, where you maybe can find some support at. But yeah, if you look at this scenario, maybe, yeah, also not a lot of touch points. So I do want to see more touch points here. Maybe we're forming a pattern over here, but I don't really like it, to be honest. So ADA finally, I will go into ADA a little bit more here, and I see, let me see at ADA. ADA almost $1.20 here, guys. Everyone is still talking about ADA here, and I will go in ADA once again in a second. But we are looking so much on ADA here. But first, I will check Litecoin in a sec here. So we'll finish up. I'll remove this chart here. Also, Litecoin supportive line getting created here on the up to the top side here. So of course we are seeing some minor fake outs here to the downside. We are creating a lot of wicks on the lower sides as well. But yeah, you can see a supportive line to the upside is getting respected here. That's of course lovely to see here. We're getting a rejection over here. So this is of course going to show a breakout anytime soon here. Definitely looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, you can see a minor fake out over here. So you can still also draw it more like this here. But I will stick it like this. So Litecoin, maybe you're going to break it as well anytime soon here. But I will look at ADA for now, because, guys, you all want me to look at ADA. And I will go in Bitcoin in a second here once again. But guys. ADA won't stop here. ADA literally won't stop lasting off to the upside. It literally don't want to stop here. Bitcoin is, everyone's saying Bitcoin is dropping below it. So, whoa, damn. Guys, we are seeing Bitcoin dropping below the symmetrical triangle. Guys, this is very bad for Bitcoin. If we are going to close a candle like this here, you have to know this is not looking strong for Bitcoin here. And of course, we will be still looking at the chart here, but it really depends on the 1 hourly candle close. But if we're going to break the supportive line here, you definitely want to be looking out with your trades here. You definitely want to be looking out with your long positions, because it is looking like that we maybe can see another leg to the downside getting created, and it would be of course a very bad thing to see here. But it can also see it can also be that we're just creating a fake out here. So please, guys, be careful. I see you also saying in the chat here, look at Bitcoin. And yes, we are looking at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is right now looking like it's breaking to the downside of this of the symmetrical triangle here. And this is, of course, not a good thing that we are willing to see here, guys. It's not a good thing that we do want to see here. And we are right now watching with 1,500 people, guys. Make sure to smash up these likes here. We're very close to the 500 likes here. Only asking 5 seconds of your time here, because liking the video is very easy to do. And it's only taking 5 seconds of your time. So it would be, of course, very lovely if you're doing so. And people are all saying, chat, no, Bitcoin, no. And what we are right now having, you need confirmation first, don't trade. Yeah, I actually have to agree with you. You do want to wait for confirmation. And this is also the reason here why I'm saying wait for the 1 hourly candle close at least before opening a trade, guys. Wait for the 1 hourly candle at least before opening a trade. So maybe we are playing this wick on the lower side here. You can see a lot of strength here returning on Bitcoin. You can see a lot of strength in the Bitcoin chart still. People are saying F2 pool is dumping. So I will look at the F2 pool here. Do you want me to look at the F2 pool? Because then I will be looking at CryptoCon. And I just spoiled some water over my mouse here. I just spoiled some water over my mouse, so that's pretty unfortunate. Of course, not a thing that I usually do. So let me look at the minor flows here. Do you want to look at the hourly? What F2 pool is doing here, because is F2 pool still dumping here? That's the actual question. Oh damn, you're seeing yeah, F2 pool is showing a big dump. So you guys are right. Thank you for notifying me once again. F2 pool just recently dumped another 1,700 Bitcoin in just a matter of 2 hours. Oh, this is a thing that we do want to keep in consideration. But previously, once we were dumping, we still got bought back up here. So it does not necessarily have to be bad, guys. But this is a thing what we still have to keep in mind here. Guys, we are seeing the F2 pool right now, seeing this big dump, 1,700 Bitcoin in just a matter of 2 hours here. So this is, of course, a bad thing here for the price action of Bitcoin. And maybe we're going to see another reversal coming in here. And people are saying, short Bitcoin. I should definitely be careful with shorts because we are still in a bull market. And yeah, the point here is, yeah, maybe we're going to cool off for a longer period of time here for a second. But I mean, the on-chain data is not looking good here. The Bitcoin price action is not looking good here at all. So you do really want to be careful at the moment if you're looking to trade Bitcoin here. Especially, you can be looking for shorts here. But longing Bitcoin right now, I should definitely be very careful with longing Bitcoin right now. Because in my opinion, yes, we can see another major correction coming in anytime soon here. We can see another major correction coming in here anytime soon for Bitcoin. So, guys, we're going to see this, of course, all together here. But the F2 pool showing such a big dump here. This can definitely be a very bad thing for Bitcoin. Going to 50K here can definitely be true. Can be so. And Bitcoin going to 1 million. Yes, it is going to 1 million. But it's just a matter of time here. But this F2, oh damn, this F2 pool mining, the F2 pool mining pool once again dumping here can definitely bring the price a little bit lower here. Towards the 52K, guys. 52K can be the next target for Bitcoin. F2 pool is the biggest mining pool by far. Yeah, and you're completely right here. F2 pool is the biggest mining pool here. And guys, we are watching with so many people. Thank you so much for tuning in here still into the channel. That will be, of course, it's very amazing that you guys are still here. And I see that we are only 40 subscribers away. And it's definitely a target that I would love to reach here. So, I mean, very exciting what we are having together here on the channel. And people are saying Ethereum is dumping. And you have to know Ethereum is following Bitcoin. And because Bitcoin is dumping here, you can see Ethereum is Bitcoin, Ethereum is following Bitcoin. And that's the reason why Ethereum is falling right now. But, guys, once we are falling, we will be looking for long positions here. You have to know we will be looking for a long position. And this will be the long position that we will be looking at here. This will be the long position that we will be looking at. I will set up an horizontal line here. I will do it on the FEMX exchange because otherwise it will not show a lot of significance. But it will be the 52.66K here. So we'll right away set up a limit order here. 56. Let me see. 56. Oh, sorry. 52.60. 52.600. Let me see. We'll use a 10x here. Stop loss, of course. I will be adding a stop loss. Also take profit here, guys. So I will be setting up this trade real quickly. So give me a second. I see another super chat is coming in here, so we'll be looking at the super chat also. But I'm right now setting up this trade here because it's looking like that we are breaking down here. And of course, I want to catch this this falling knife here for Bitcoin, 51.6. Of course, we'll also be adding a take profit area. Take profit will be very hard to say, but I definitely will. I will do that once the trade is over. Okay, I will make a screenshot as well here. So guys, if you want to join me on these trades, you can definitely join the Discord server as well here. Because I will be dropping these trades as well on the Discord server. So, by the way, we're very close to the 10,000 members in the Discord server. So, if you haven't joined the Discord server already, it's a very good server here, a very strong community here. So, definitely consider joining it as well here. But we will be looking at this live dump here of Bitcoin because right now I'm feeling very bearish on Bitcoin, guys. Right now I'm not feeling very strong about Bitcoin. With the F2 mining pool also dumping huge numbers of Bitcoins right now, this can definitely be the reversal where we were waiting on. And I will be looking at ADA, of course, as well. But also getting a donation from Flatter. You're saying, my man, how are you doing? Still loving the stream. Can you please quickly look at ADA and explain? And, of course, I will be looking at ADA here. But, guys, what we are seeing with ADA right now is, of course, massive follow-through here. But the reason why ADA is pumping here is because they are getting listed by Coinbase Pro here. So, of course, very, very nice to see that ADA is showing so much strength here finally in the market. And, yeah, Coinbase Pro, of course, very lovely to see for ADA. And everyone is here for ADA. It looks like everyone is here for ADA. But I mean, I will be looking at Bitcoin mainly because this is not looking strong here. Of course, there are multiple scenarios for Bitcoin that you can look at here. But once we are trying to catch this falling knife here, definitely this will be the target that we can enter a position here. So 52.6k can definitely be a very nice target that we can maybe open another position here. And of course, crush the market even better. And actually, I will be maybe looking for... No, 52.6k is definitely a good target that we can enter on. 52.6k, yeah. Also the stop here. I mean, I will be looking to catch this falling knife here, guys. I will be looking to catch this falling knife. But yeah, what I can say about ADA here, ADA of course, damn, we are seeing so many follows for here. I cannot really say anything bad right now on ADA. Of course, for Ali going from oversold to overbought here, guys. ADA is absolutely crushing it right now. And this is absolutely crushing it right now. Dumping is great. They're increasing supply on exchanges for us to buy, and you're completely right, Toybov. But I mean, ADA is sitting around $1.23 here. This is, of course, lovely to see. And the main reason why it's pumping is, of course, because of the Coinbase Pro listing here, guys. You have to know it. ADA to $2 tomorrow. Let's go. Everyone's feeling very bullish by ADA here. Of course, you can see these previous, let's say, 8 hours here. In 8 hours' time, we saw a 20% increase in the valuation, guys. This is absolutely insane. 20% in just a matter of two, of 4 hourly candles. So, of course, massive follows were getting created here. But Bitcoin is dumping, guys. Bitcoin is still falling and falling and falling here. So this is not looking very strong for Bitcoin, guys. This is not looking very strong for Bitcoin here. And it's looking like that we are going to close below this symmetrical triangle here. And we are looking to catch this falling knife, guys. Bitcoin could to 50k here. 52k will be definitely my entry target here. Do you own any NFTs here? I have Superfarm. I have Chili's. I have... Yeah, that's basically it. I don't have a lot of NFTs here, but I do want to definitely go more into some other NFTs here. But I mean, I'm not buying into hugely overbought NFTs right now. So, yeah, let me know, guys, what you think, because I see, by the way, only 11 likes away from the 500. Let me know if you already smashed it. Will be, of course, very amazing. Will be very amazing. 1 hourly continually is pumping. ADA on Coinbase. Yeah, guys, we all know it. ADA has got listed on Coinbase, and we also discussed this on our Twitter. And you see, we just reached 3,000 followers as well on Twitter. So thank you so much for following me as well here on Twitter. You guys are amazing. And people are saying, what is the price target of this... the Bitcoin breakdown of the symmetrical triangle here. Price target will be around the 52.4k here. 52.4k, and of course this is giving you possibilities to trade here. But guys, we are right now just set up this this long position here, because if you look at the family chart, we haven't seen this breakdown yet here. But of course, with this with the F2 mining pool still dumping more and more Bitcoin, I will be trying to catch this dump here, because I think we can definitely see another leg down here getting created. And if you want to join us on this trade here, you can right away sign up here with FEMX. Will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. If you're using the referral link, you're also getting some extra bonuses, up to $680 in bonus. That will be, of course, a very amazing goal that you can really benefit from. And I mean, yeah, definitely looking to catch this trade here. Definitely looking forward to see Bitcoin falling more, because once Bitcoin is falling more, guys, we will be benefiting from it. So people are saying, how about Ethereum? Yeah, of course, once Bitcoin is falling, Ethereum will definitely follow here. You do want to be realistic here, and I think we can fall to this next rate box here. It really depends on Bitcoin right now. It really depends on Bitcoin. And guys, by the way, just a quick thing about the mark giveaway here. I ordered new marks here, but they're going so quickly because I'm giving away so many marks here. So I only have, let's say, 6 left here, and also have to give them to some friends. And so because they want to win them, they want to have them as well. So I mean, we can do one more giveaway here, but then it will be a very special target. So if you want to win the mark here, we first have to reach, let's say for the subscribers, let's see, we first have to reach the 25.7, or yeah, let's say the 25.8k. I think we can reach it. 25.8k subscribers today, and then we are going to give away this mark, because I only have, let's say, 4 or 5 more two to give away to you guys anymore. So I will do very special giveaways from now on. And of course, I ordered more of these, so there will be more giveaways coming in anytime soon here. But today, once reaching the 25.8k subscribers, I will be giving away another mark here live in the stream. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It will be, of course, very amazing if we can do so. And it will be also very supportive if you can do so. But I mean, People are all concerned about Ethereum, but yeah, Ethereum will be falling, guys. Ethereum will be falling because of Bitcoin, and we will be, of course, monitoring this all together. And you can see more volatility getting created here, and we have this open possibility to open this trade, guys. We are doing this on Femex, so you can still join it. You can still set up your account here, and everyone's saying still mark in the chat here, so it would be, of course, very amazing here. Damn, they're still buying the dip here. I mean, yeah, you can still buy the dip, and well, like I told you yesterday in the stream as well, if you're buying every single dip, you're buying into a very good average price of Bitcoin, because you're averaging into Bitcoin with a very good price, and it's definitely worth doing so. So it will be very exciting. Will be very exciting. Everyone's saying already sold my ADA position to Bitcoin. So I mean, you're doing a good job here. Taking profits on ADA is not bad here, but I mean, still showing more volatility. ADA sitting. It was heading. It was one. We are maybe going to set a new all-time high. Guys, we're maybe going to set a new all-time high for ADA, guys. This is absolutely insane. I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes here, guys. This is absolutely insane. 4 hourly is going massively overextended, by the way, guys. You want to be realistic. 4 hourly. Sorry, this is 1 hourly. 1 hourly going into 85 RSI index, and of course we can go way higher. Yeah, I'm not saying that we are going to stop here. We can go way higher here because there's so good news here. Definitely people will not be looking to take profits here, but once you're going to stealth up to the upside, you can also reverse very quickly to the downside here, so you do want to be realistic, and taking profits is never a bad thing that you can do here, especially if you're seeing such a big green candle to the upside here, and the 4 hourly probably also heading towards overbought territorium, so I do want to be careful here, but I do think that we're going to take out the previous RSI here, so we can definitely form no bearish divergence here for Ethereum, for ADA, so that's definitely already a good thing that we can have right now. So let me see. ADA will reach $2. I think, yeah, of course ADA will be reaching $2, but it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time before ADA will be reaching $2. And of course, also getting listed on Coinbase Pro here. It's only boosting the price, only boosting and boosting the price more and more and more. There are a lot of support levels here for Bitcoin. Yeah, of course, there's still a lot of support levels for Bitcoin, but yeah, I mean, yeah, the 54.7K will be very strong support as well for Bitcoin. We'll be looking to see where Bitcoin, of course, is heading towards. But yeah, for now we're curving to the upside a little bit here, but I think we can definitely fall even more here, guys. We want to be realistic. We're only realistic on the channel, guys, and of course, I want to be a moon boy here. And I know that Bitcoin will go higher, but the immediate short term, not looking good here. Immediate short term is not looking good here. We ain't going to the 52K here. I think you cannot ignore the facts right now. I mean, the F2 pool also dumping here, guys. This is the thing. There are multiple things right now coming together here, and that's the point I'm a little bit scared right now. There are multiple things coming together, and that's the reason why I'm feeling a little bit bearish right now. I mean, you can see dropping off. Just 1 hour ago, we dropped off 1,000 Bitcoin, and just this hour, we dropped 710 Bitcoin. So 1,700 Bitcoin in just a matter of 2 hours dropped off from these miners, from the F2 pool mining pool. This can definitely be very bad for Bitcoin, and we can definitely see this lag down getting created here. So taking profits, if you're in a long position, is definitely a thing that I should consider doing right now, because I don't know if you're getting a position to take profits once again here at these high levels here, because I mean, yeah, we'll also break to the downside of the symmetrical triangle here. You do want to be careful here right now. I got liquidated on 88. I don't know, were you short or so? Because I mean, also going long right now will be very terrible to do, in my opinion. You can see a big wick getting created on the top side. That is also a very likely thing to see here. You do want to be careful once trading this, guys. You do want to be careful here, and please don't rush into anything here. Don't rush into these stupid trades. And of course, you're getting huge opportunities here, and you can still definitely benefit from it. And you can trade ADA also on Femex here, and that's also the thing that I'm of course doing so. So yeah, we are having multiple opportunities here, and if you're not on the trade right now, please be patient here. Take some time here, rest a bit here, because it's just a matter of time. The opportunities will be laying around the corner here, and if you're not on the trade right now, it doesn't matter here, because I'm also not in a trade here. I'm still waiting to get a good entry here, and there will be enough opportunities here, guys. There will be enough opportunities here, and even if we're still going to reverse to the top side here, because we can still create this wick on the lower side, guys. Don't get me wrong, but then I will be looking at a different scenario. Then I will be entering a long position. Should we sell 35% holdings? I mean, I'm not looking to sell my holding position. I'm not looking to sell my holding position right now. The only thing that I'm excited about is the mark. I mean, I'm also very excited about the mark here. But guys, we're only 50 subscribers away from the 25.5k here. So I think we can definitely reach it. ADA new all-time high. That's not true. ADA haven't set a new all-time high yet. ADA haven't set a new all-time high yet. But yeah, it set a new local high. But yeah, you can see a big reverse coming in here. But guys, you have to know a lot of traders will be taking profits. And you can also maybe see a short squeeze here. That's also the reason why it was pushing here. And people are saying alt season is starting. Yes, we can see alts, of course, blast off to the upside anytime soon here. Alts can definitely gain more and more and more. Short Bitcoin right now. I mean, yeah, you have an opportunity to short Bitcoin. In my opinion, yes, we're going to see a breakdown for Bitcoin. And we're going to see another leg down getting created anytime soon here. Please don't spam in the chat here, because if you're spamming here, you will definitely get blocked here. So please don't do so. And guys, quickly, another shout out to the Discord server. Only 150 members away from the 10,000 members in the Discord. ADA new all-time high today. I think it will be. It will not be reached today here. I don't think that we are going to reach it today. And guys, of course, we're already checking ADA so much here. Thanks for answering my question. Thank you once again for donating here. Thank you for supporting the channel. If you see a long candle like this, short is your emotion. Yeah, that's completely true. That's completely true. But I mean, it's just all emotions that are usually attached to traders here. And that's the point here. You do want to be careful with trading, and you don't want to attach your emotions, because once attaching your emotions, you are getting wrecked. Respect the pump. Yeah, of course I'm respecting the pump here. I'm of course respecting the pump. Time to buy ADA. I mean, if you're buying right now, you're buying in a huge pump. And do you want to buy at highs? Do you want to buy here? I don't think so. In my opinion, yes, it can go way higher. But the 1 hourly being so overextended, I'm not looking to buy at such overextended territory. I'm not looking to buy. And I mean, I'm already enjoying the games because I'm already hugely exposed to ADA. And I see also Denman joined the Crypto Rover membership team. So thank you. Big shout out to Denman625 here. Big shout out to you. So thank you so much for supporting the channel here. And hopefully you are going to enjoy your amazing emojis in the chat. I cannot even talk anymore because my throat is getting so thirsty. But guys, we're only 4 subscribers away from 25.5k here. Very lovely to see you here. And yesterday also had an amazing stream here. Short Bitcoin right now. I mean, guys, you do want to wait a little bit longer here. 11 minutes before the 1 hourly candle close. And we do want to see a confirmation before opening any kinds of trades here. We do want to wait for a confirmation before opening any kinds of trades here. So that's also that will also be my strategy here. I will not rush into anything here. I will not rush into any kinds of trades here. You do want to take it with caution. You do want to take it slow here before opening any kinds of trades here, guys. That would not be smart here, opening a trade already. So let me see. What does you take profit? And I mean, there are multiple positions. There are multiple. Maybe you can still say it like this here. You can still. Oh, we are still intact with the symmetrical triangle here. So I do want to see more volatile here, either direction, before you really can open a trade here. And in my opinion, it's still a little bit of a coin flip here. And that's the reason why I'm not opening a trade here right now in the symmetrical triangle here, because there are multiple possibilities how you can draw it, and there are still multiple possibilities that can still move to the upside here. Because in terms of wicks, yes, you are creating this this wick to the lower side here, and you're creating a high wick. So yeah, it really depends on how you look to the symmetrical triangle, and it can still go either direction. But guys, thank you so much, because we just reached the 25.5k subscribers. Thank you so much for hitting that subscriber button once again here. You guys are so supportive here, and I'm truly loving it, of course, to spend my time with you guys once again here on the channel. So in my opinion, once trading Bitcoin, you definitely want to wait a little bit longer here. You do want to wait a little bit longer here. So people, let's look at Chainlink for a second. Let's look at Chainlink here, because also people are saying, what do you think about Chainlink? Is Chainlink going to die? And no, Chainlink is not going to die. And once again, talk about this gray box scenario here, because this gray box seems to hold up so strong here, and you can see it was giving you so much possibilities here to enter Chainlink here. You can see over here you could have entered. Over here you had multiple entry opportunities here, and right now once again you are having this entry or accumulation level for Chainlink once again. So accumulation is once again returning here for Chainlink. maybe we're going to see another leg creating to the downside here. And definitely, once Bitcoin is once again dropping off here, Chainlink will definitely follow, and these other altcoins will also follow here. And of course, ADA is not looking to follow anytime soon here, because ADA is of course looking very strong. But I mean, Chainlink can definitely follow more to the downside, and maybe have this test of this supportive line here, what previously was acting as resistance. So these are levels that you can be looking at for accumulating some more. Chainlink. But yeah, if you look at Chainlink compared to Bitcoin, still looking very bad here. You can see previous gray box here was acting as support, but right now is holding us back and acting as resistance. So this is looking very bearish in my opinion, and you do want to be careful with looking to the chart. I mean, with trading and holding Chainlink at the moment, because you can also see this breakout for Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. You can see Chainlink compared to Chainlink compared to Ethereum. Chainlink compared to Ethereum is right now moving to the downside here, breaking to the downside, and the target to the downside is even another 32% compared to Ethereum, so to the downside of course. So that's looking not very strong for Chainlink, so that is the reason why Chainlink is also not performing so strong here. And Ethereum is also not showing a lot of strength here. But yeah, once I mean, Ethereum is still trading on the supportive lines here if you compare it to Bitcoin, trading on this gray box here, trading on this previous resistance line here. So do want to see Chainlink holding up here. Do want to see Chainlink holding up on this level and see it reverse to the upside once again. But yeah, Bitcoin is the one to watch here. Still 7 minutes before closing this 1 hourly candle, guys. What do you think of Bitcoin right now? What do you guys think of Bitcoin? Let's do a quick test here in the chat, guys. Let's do a quick test in the chat here. And let's see what we are thinking of Bitcoin. Say 1 in the chat if you think that Bitcoin is going to move to the upside of the symmetrical triangle here. And say 2 in the chat if you think that Bitcoin is going to move to the downside here of this symmetrical triangle. We can still go either direction here. So let me know what you think of the chat here. Let me know. Let me quickly say it here. So 1 for Bitcoin going higher and 2 for Bitcoin going lower here. So of course, very curious what you guys think here. Very curious what you guys think here. And in the meantime, make sure to smash up these likes here, because only 26 likes away from the 600. So people are still saying Mark here. Yeah, we're only 270 subscribers away here. So I think we can definitely give it away here if you want to. So already loads of twos coming in here. It's basically only twos, guys. Everyone is feeling pretty bearish on Bitcoin. And like I told you before, I'm also not feeling very bullish on Bitcoin here. So loads of twos coming in here. You guys are thinking that Bitcoin is going to move down here. And in my opinion, yes, Bitcoin is not looking very strong here. But it really depends on how you draw the symmetrical triangle here. So 2, everyone's saying 2 here, and that's of course very cool, guys. You can stop right away here. Thank you for letting me know here. You guys really think that we are going to move down here, and I have to agree with you. But if you look to the FEMX chart, because the FEMX chart is a little bit different here, you can see, yeah, we are just creating another wick on this lower side here, and we can definitely go either direction still. So if you look to this chart, yes, it is not decided yet here. So it really depends on which chart you're looking at, and I'm not saying that you have to open the short right now once seeing this 1 hourly candle close here. I'm not saying that, and I would not consider doing it as well here, because I'm also not doing it for the moment here. I'm still waiting to get this entry position in here. I'm still waiting to accumulate this trade to then write this to, of course, to new all-time highs here. So yeah, thank you guys for letting me know, and very lovely to see that you guys are feeling the same as me here. And it can maybe be a bear trap here, and we can maybe move even higher. And people are still saying in the chat, ADA is added to Coinbase, and we know it. We know it. And ADA, oh damn, once again, is sitting around $1.23 here. And if you're in a leverage trade here, you want to be really careful right now. You do want to be really careful here. And of course, if you took this leverage trade here on you can trade it on FEMX if you want to trade ADA. So if you took it on FEMX, or I don't know where you can trade it else, you can trade it probably on Binance as well. But if you don't trade on Binance, but you trade on FEMX, and you took this trade on FEMX, you're doing, of course, a very strong job here, because you're making huge amounts of profits here. And yeah, I mean, very lovely to see here. Very lovely to see. And yeah, I mean, you guys are doing very good here. But considering taking profits right now is not a bad thing that you can do here. And going to close this 1 hourly candle in 5 minutes would be very nice if we can create not a big wick on the top side. So push a little bit higher here in these last few minutes here. But I mean, it's already looking very strong, guys. And of course, very exciting times. Very exciting times in general here. It's just lovely to see. It's just lovely to see a coin gaining so much here that you also truly love here. So very good to see. Let me guys know what you think here. And Noah is saying, can you please look at crypto quant Ethereum outflow? Thank you. Of course we can. So you want to look at Ethereum? So if the site is working for me for a second, there it is. Okay, Ethereum flows, and you want to look at the exchange outflow. So of course we can look at this, and this is of course for you. You can see here the Ethereum outflow is still relatively high. Today it's pretty high outflow of exchanges for Ethereum. So of course the more outflow we are seeing, the better it is for the price. But yeah, right now you're seeing 752k Ethereum getting outflow here on all exchanges. So that's of course a very nice candle that we are seeing here, because yesterday it was only 200k here. So yeah, very exciting what we are seeing, and hopefully you're benefiting from the chart here. And right now, yeah, seeing 752k here of outflow, and previously we were seeing, let's say, 1.09 million Ethereum outflowing here to exchange out of exchanges into cold storage wallets. And that's of course the more outflow that we are seeing of exchanges, the more holders there will be for the long term. So right now you're seeing a decreasement in price here and decreasement in trend. So that's of course a very bad thing. Yeah, right now you're picking up the pace once again. So it's looking good. Looking good. And we're going to close this 1 hourly candle in 3 minutes here, guys. Rover, one spammer is not stopping. Can I ban him from the channel? Yes, you can do so. If you're Dean Harvey, if you're seeing someone that is spamming multiple times here, you can right away block him. Or if he's saying something inappropriate, you can right away block him at the first time already. Hide from channel, yeah. You can do so. So yeah. Guys, also make sure to ask people in the chat here, because if you haven't joined the Discord server already, you can do so, because we are discussing this all the price action after the stream as well here in the Discord server. And it would be certainly lovely if you're joining it, because we are coming very close to the 10k members here, and it's definitely a target that I do want to reach here in today's stream here. I see only 150 people left to join in the Discord server, so that would be of course a very nice thing to see. So very lovely, and I see also that the Twitter is also still going pretty good here. Also want to do a tweet here. Let me know if you guys want me to tweet something here. We can definitely do a tweet together, so we can push it to multiple people here and do a good job here. Something inappropriate. Yeah, I mean, if you're saying something inappropriate, yeah, you definitely can get blocked here. So. Please be normal in the chat here, guys. We don't like stupid things here. I mean, people are saying, can you please check DOT here? And damn, this is not looking good for Polkadot here. I mean, I'll be really honest with you, and I cannot lie. I cannot ignore the facts here. This is not looking very strong for Polkadot. You can see Polkadot 4 hourly. We were holding up in the symmetrical triangle for a longer, daily. We were holding up in the symmetrical triangle here on the daily, very long. But yeah, right now, if you look to the 4 hourly candles, you can see that we are breaking down here, and that we are right now retesting this previous support level. And it is looking like that we are getting rejected by this previous supportive level here. So this is not looking good for Polkadot here, guys. I don't know. This is a big warning for all the Polkadot holders right now, because this can definitely push the price a little bit lower here. So please be careful if you're holding, because if you're seeing a breakdown of this pattern, we can definitely see a big move down here. Can you please check Polk? So I will definitely check it. Thank you for supporting the donation, of course. It is compared to Wrapped Ether, so I don't really like that. But yeah, you can see right away, it's very hard to analyze this, man. You don't have a lot of information. You can see you are seeing a massive uptrend getting started. You can see a massive run-up. And you can also see that we're right now once again creating a bearish divergence here. We're creating a higher high in the chart. This is the only thing that I can really say to you, because this coin is right now already going parabolic here. You can see higher high getting created here and lower high in the other side. So we're basically creating a bearish divergence. And once creating a bearish divergence, the price can easily reverse to the downside very quickly here. So I do want to be careful with holding this coin here. Please be careful, because you can get wrecked pretty significantly here. Dot will pick up once the auction will start here. The action will start here. Definitely Dot will pick up his pace anytime sooner. And I mean, we are seeing this breakdown of this pattern, but still I don't believe that Dot will break that low here. That's the point. Of course, we cannot ignore the technicals here, but Dot can definitely still go higher. And I'm not worried at all. But it made it very hard to give my thoughts about this chart here, because there's not a lot of information about it. But thank you for your super chat, of course. But you do want to be careful, because you are creating a bearish divergence here. Higher high in the chart, lower high in the RSI. You do want to be careful, guys. And we just opened a new 1 hourly candle here. Absolutely amazing to see here. Of course, if you look at this scenario here, on Femex, you can see that we haven't seen a clear breakdown yet here. It really depends on which exchange you're looking at, because on some different exchanges, the digits are a little bit different here. But you can see 1 hourly right away pumping to the upside here. So let's see what it will be doing here. Of course, I would certainly love to see the price going a little bit lower here, because we are having more levels to accumulate bigger trades. We are trying to accumulate more swing trades here for Bitcoin as well. So of course, the lower we are getting, the more excited I am getting as well here. So let's see where we are heading towards here. But if you're seeing something like this on the chart, so we're seeing this retest of this level and then move down, damn, this can definitely be a very bad thing here. So once touching this level, these are levels to maybe open a short position, of course, only if you like to. But I mean, these are not the most beautiful things to trade here, so I'm staying on the sidelines for now on. I'm only opening a trade once we are seeing a drop for Bitcoin, and for now on I will be not opening anything here. 52k Bitcoin incoming. I mean, I can definitely see a 52k Bitcoin being around the corner here. I can definitely see it being around the corner. It's not far away in my opinion. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys want me to look at here. Of course, very exciting. ADA is still 2.0. I don't know what you mean by that. My long was liquidated at around 0.95 cents here. I may leave it open for months. Oh, liquidation price. Yeah, you can definitely do so. But I mean, you do want to be looking at the funding fees, because the funding fees can also be becoming higher. So I do want to be looking at the funding fees as well here. But I mean, the funding fees on the ADA, let me check it. Funding fees at ADA will probably go sky high here. Yes, they're right now 0.07 cents percent, but they're heading towards the 0.1 cent. So the funding fees on the ADA can be pretty high here. So you do want to be careful with opening long-term trades here on ADA. And also getting another super chat here. Dirty Banana, you're saying, yo Dan, can you please check B Pro? So we'll go into the exact super chat here. So definitely thank you for once again showing your donation here to the channel here, Dirty Banana. Thank you so much here. You're saying K-Check B Pro. Would highly recommend this hidden gem to anyone in our community. If it pulls back a bit, great fundamentals, still low market cap. Could be the next Chili's, no financial advice. And definitely very interesting what you're saying here. And I need to do my research once again after the stream, because if you're saying so, I don't want to be missing out here. And of course, it's already growing exponentially here. So I will also look at B Pro over here to see what it exactly is here. It's a DeFi project, and of course, Chili's NFT, of course, but you can see already this massive run up here to the upside. And still 60 million market cap is already pretty high, of course, but I mean, it is cooling off for a second right now. So let's see where it is heading towards. But I mean, you're creating all kinds of bearish divergences. I mean, I don't really like to buy into coins that already pumped so significantly, but yeah, I mean, it's really going all about the fundamentals here. Are the fundamentals looking strong? Yes, you can certainly still buy into it and can still make some very good profits here. So I have to do my research. Cannot really give my honest opinion about it right now. My honest opinion, if I looked at this chart here, is that it's way too overextended here, and it's set to have a correction. But of course, we are in a bull market. We are in an altcoin season. I mean, we are not in an altcoin season yet here. We're already seeing some altcoins pop off here with good fundamentals. And I mean, yeah, definitely would not be surprised if it can even continue the trend even higher and head towards even more double digits territory. So, yeah, of course, it looks very solid here. And you're saying that you can recommend it to our community here. And if you want to join the community, guys, you can also join the Discord server. You can definitely already join the Discord server here. It will be, of course, very amazing. Right now, only 140 members away from the 10K members here. And if you want to join the Discord server, it's completely free to sign up here, giving free signals. If I'm not live here, I will be giving you updates on the market as well there. So it's definitely worth joining it. And I mean, I would certainly love to see the 10,000 members getting reached today. So let me know if you're already in the community here in the chat. Let me know who's already in the community here. And people are saying also Economy is the biggest NFT play. And definitely I think Economy can be very huge here. They are selling these NFTs here. They're doing such a good job here. But yeah. B Pro Network, have to look into it after the stream here. But it sounds pretty exciting, of course. Also, another super chat here. XXX, donate 10 euros, so thank you so much for 10 US dollar donation here. You're saying, what are your thoughts on Harmony 1? Their Ethereum scaling solution and team is really appealing. So, of course, first of all, thank you so much for your super chat here. And second of all, Harmony 1 is, first of all, very... second of all, I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry, guys. But it is performing very strong. I know it's performing very strong. Don't know the exact details here. But yeah, you're saying... I know they are trying to solve the Ethereum's... the Ethereum scaling solution here. And if we go to, let's see, Harmony 1 here, already sitting around P88. So it's doing pretty good here already. But you can also read what it's exactly doing over here. And second of all, you can go to this to their site. You can look a little bit more into it over there as well. And they should definitely do so, because before buying into projects, you do want to know what you're buying into here. And of course, they're trying to solve the scaling issue. And I mean, a lot of coins that are trying to solve the scaling issue are doing good here. And Harmony 1 is also doing a very strong job here. So I will be giving my my opinion about it on the technicals here. Because if you look to the technicals here, you can see it multiple times. We were breaking out here. You can see symmetrical triangle getting formed, breaking out to the upside. And we had multiple scenarios that you can look at here. You can see breaking the previous resistance, flipping it into support, and then also moving to the upside. So also looking good here. But yeah, if you look to the chart right now, you can see the 4 hourly. The 1 hourly is extremely cooling off here, heading towards lower levels here. Can definitely see a bounce anytime soon here. But it's very likely to create a bearish divergence on the 1 hourly at least. But yeah, I mean... cooling off for this coin is very likely, and probably it's looking like that we're going to form some kind of pattern here, because you're forming a lower low here. You're forming higher... Sorry, low. You're creating a lower high here, also creating some kind of uptrend in the lows here. So that's also looking good. So maybe going to form some kind of symmetrical triangle here, or a horizontal triangle here. So I mean, definitely looking forward to it. Definitely look forward to see where we are heading towards with Harmony. And like you were saying, the team is looking very strong here. So let's see if we're going to create more volatility anytime soon here. It's a worker of Bitcoin. I hold Harmony since 1 cent, and then you're already 8xing. You already have 800% in profit, so you're doing a good job. Chainlink, we already discussed Chainlink earlier on. Of course, very interesting thoughts what we have about Chainlink. Is there a small triangle on Bitcoin on 1 hourly chart? We were looking at Bitcoin a lot here. There are multiple things that we can be looking at on Bitcoin right now. I will quickly take a sip of water here, because guys, I'm getting very thirsty here. And guys, by the way, still going to say it here. If we're going to reach 25.8k subscribers here today live in the stream, I'm going to give away this mic, of course. Oh, there's a fake crypto rover once again in the chat, guys. Please be careful. Please be careful for these fake people, because there are always so many scammers. Also in the Discord, guys, you want to be careful. You want to be careful here. Because in the Discord, also a lot of people are trying to manipulate you. They're trying to fool you. And please don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. What's your opinion about WTC? So, what is my opinion? Well done. So, I don't know exactly about this coin. I mean, there's so many coins right now rising here. And also performing very strong. And I did hear about this coin here, but of course, not really deeply did my research here. Previously in 2018, of course, already popping off around $41 there. But of course, right now, way more circulating supply, and that's also the reason why it is right now not as high as previously. But you can see $1.34 right now, doing a pretty okay job. Doing a pretty okay job here. You can see we are forming some kind of ascending triangle, maybe. Forming some kind of ascending triangle here. You're creating a horizontal resistance line here. I do want to draw it a little bit more perfect, to be honest. But you can see horizontal support resistance line getting created here. And you're seeing an uptrend here getting created as well. So it's looking like that we're forming some kind of ascending triangle here. Looking to break out anytime soon here, guys. Looking to break out anytime soon. How's the trading challenge going? Trading challenge, of course. We are certainly loving to do better here. But yeah, we got out of our trade here, and we're still only in $500 in profit. So yeah, we are still in a profit here. But of course, we would love to be in a bigger profit here. But for now, we will be looking for more opportunities here. But because the market was reversing here, and of course, it caught us off guard here, but we still closed the trade with, let's say, $1,000 in profit. So we are already doing pretty good here, but only $500 in profit right now from the 5K. So we want to increase more in valuation here. We will be looking to accumulate more trades here anytime soon here, but we will have to wait a little bit longer here till we're seeing the market cooling off for a second, because you don't want to rush into falling knives here. And you can open a trade right now. You can definitely put in a coin flip because the market can right now go very quickly to the upside or to the downside. But we are trying to catch this this dump here because I'm still anticipating another dump up for Bitcoin, at least. So yeah, I mean, for one, you can see ascending triangle playing out here, looking for a breakout anytime soon here. So let's see if we're going to see this as well. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer, you're completely right here. Press block all the fake Crypto Rover account here. I mean, there are so many scammers here, guys. Also in the Discord, please, I will never text you that I'm going to ask you. I will never ask you to send me your Bitcoin for something else. For something, I will never ask you to send me your Bitcoin. So please never do so because I already heard some guys that got scammed here, and I don't want it. I don't want it, guys. I don't want you guys to get scammed here. What is your Twitter? My Twitter is in the description. I mean, also in the description, but also in the bottom right left of the screen here. But if you don't know it already, it's at @Crypto here. You can follow me already here. We are doing, of course, very interesting posts there. Posting more and more recently here. I'm doing loads of tweets because I love it. I love to tweet a lot. And also, yeah, we just generally like to do it. Looks like Bitcoin is dumping here. Yeah, I mean, we are still anticipating another leg down for Bitcoin here, guys. We're still, like, yeah, we're still looking forward to see another leg down for Bitcoin. And yeah, if you look to this Femix chart, because the Femix chart is, of course, a little bit different here. Like I told you before, these symmetrical triangles can be a little bit different depending on the exchange. And yeah, if you look to this scenario over here, you can see we are right now still trading on support. So do want to see this this coming 1 hourly candle that will be more significance here. This will be showing more significance. This will be showing more significance. So if we're really going to see a breakdown here, or if we're going to see a bounce to the upside here, this will be all decisive, of course. This will be very decisive. What are you guys saying? What do you guys want from me? What do you think of the 40 billion stimulus check? Will they buy Bitcoin? I mean, yes, they will be buying Bitcoin, but also these guys are retailers, and they are seeing the price going so quickly to the downside, and they're getting scared. They're getting scared because this dump is basically a snowball effect. Maybe a big whale will start to dump here once again, and then these retailers will dump off as well, and that will be starting a snowball effect once again here. So that's the point here. Retailers are usually panic selling here, guys. It's still happening, even though the guys that right now are watching here, or guys, sorry, guys and girls, of course. But I mean, for everyone who's right now watching here, we are probably not panic selling because we know what we are doing here. We are watching the channel here. We know that we don't have to freak out once Bitcoin is dropping off. But the mainstream people, they are dropping off their Bitcoin once they are seeing a dump. They are getting scared because they can see another dump getting created. Because especially once you are seeing these two legs after each other, these dumps like this, they're getting very scared and they're dropping off their Bitcoin. And that's what these whales are trying to do. They're trying to manipulate and lead the market. But you want to be careful, guys. You don't want to be careful. What is your opinion about Feta Coin? It will be releasing some pretty bullish stuff next coming week here. Watch what pretty bullish stuff. Let me know. But I mean, Feta, of course, I think it's way too overextended right now. I think Feta is a little bit too overextended here. Feta is a little bit too overextended. I'm not panic selling. I know you guys. Guys, I know that you guys are not panic selling, but the mainstream people are doing. The mainstream people are doing so. Guys, it's not for males or females only. It's for both. I know. But I just want to say it because I also respect everyone, of course. I'm panic buying once it's on sale. I mean, yeah, you should definitely panic buy instead of selling here, guys. You definitely want to panic buy. ADA on $1.09. So yeah, I will be looking at ADA for a second here, guys, because of course ADA is still very interesting what we are seeing here. Of course, a dump off for ADA is very likely to see, but we can also still flip this into a big wick here, guys. Don't get me wrong here. So let me flip onto the moving averages. On the 1 hourly, let me see it on the daily. Daily is still quite far away here. So I mean, the moving average are still looking good here. I don't know what someone is saying here, but we are almost having this this depth cross here on 88 on the 4-hourly. So it's looking like that we are curving off to the upside here once again with the 50-day moving average. So we are not forming this depth cross, what is a very good thing, of course, to see. I don't like it depth crosses here, especially not on a very nice coin like Cardano. Okay, new topic. Okay, new topic. On what will you be spending your profits? Probably on some real estate. Real estate and my own house, because I still not live at my own place yet, and I will definitely move out anytime soon here. And especially once COVID is done here, in the coming 1 to 2 months here, I will be moving around here. I will be going to America and Dubai, etc. So basically, first I will be discovering the world. We'll be discovering the world and hopping around here. It's a good moment to buy some crypto.com here. Yes, crypto.com is definitely still a good buy here. Strong buy here. And if you want to sign up with my referral link here in the description, it would definitely be also helping me out here, and it will be helping you out as well, because you're getting a $40 bonus if you're doing so. Do you think that a lot of Dutch people are in Bitcoin? Yes, I do think so. I do think so. I do think so. I do think that, I mean, you can look to Google Trends. Guys, do you want me to look at Google Trends? Yeah, let's look at it. I will right away do it. I will not even ask it. Oh, wait, what I'm doing? Oh, I was saying, I was searching for Bitcoin trends. I don't know why. I don't know why. I will look at Bitcoin here, and this is only the Netherlands. I will set it on worldwide, but you can look. I can answer all your questions right away here, because you can see. Of course, Nigeria is the country what is searching Bitcoin the most here over the world. But you can see also the Netherlands. Of course, the country where I live as well. You can see a lot of interest in the Netherlands as well, 56% here. So, I mean, a lot of the Dutch people are interested in Bitcoin as well here. More Dutch people than USA people are, of course, interested. But the USA, of course, pretty big country, so you can already compare it. And of course, China know a lot of information about it, because we don't know anything about them. But I mean, yes, you can also see in Argentina, where you have a lot of deflationary, I mean inflation in the currency. You can see there's a lot of interest over there, and also in Africa in general, Nigeria, the most amount of interest. But yeah, the Netherlands definitely a country that's on P7 on the Bitcoin interest list. But also, you do want to look at this, because you can see right away the retail FOMO hasn't started yet, guys, and we will be seeing retail FOMO. It's just a matter of time till we're going to see it, guys. It's just a matter of time till we're going to see this retail FOMO kicking in here for Bitcoin, and going to see new altcoins getting created, of course. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. It's not a question if we're going to reach 100k in this bull cycle. It's a question when we are going to reach 100k in this bull cycle. So, of course, very exciting times here. And still, you can see maybe this supportive line is getting respected here from off this side here. So, of course, very exciting what we can see over there. Very exciting what we are seeing over here. So, I would love to see another bounce coming in here. China, weird. Yeah, I mean, we don't know a lot about China. Argentina here. Yeah, I mean, Argentina, the currency over there was, of course, huge inflation, and probably a lot of people in Argentina were buying into crypto because they want to secure their wealth here. So that's the thing that we are going to see as well here, because the US dollar will have hyperinflation as well. And once seeing so, they will be looking to buy Bitcoin as well, and other store of values, and Bitcoin, of course, the main store of value where people will be buying in. That is the thing that I will be feeling very excited about, of course. But see, Bitcoin is still bouncing here. Bitcoin is still bouncing. Whales are taking profits on both. Whales are taking profits, yeah. But whales can also manipulate the market, and that's maybe a thing that they are doing right now. That is also a thing that you do want to take in consideration. But yeah, I really want to draw this a little bit different, to be honest. I really like more this Femic scenario here, to be honest. So then you should draw it a little bit more like this. So that's the reason. You still want to be patient here. You don't want to freak out here. You want to sit on the sidelines here before rushing into anything. But I mean, yeah, we can still go either direction here. But symmetrical triangles, you are seeing a dump coming in here, then creating a symmetrical triangle here, is more likely to see a breakdown than breaking to the upside here. Countries with wealth and countries with unstable currencies are turning into crypto, and you're completely true. You're completely true. We are the galaxy. We are crypto. We are working together, guys. And if you want to help me out here as well, if you want to help me out to push this content to more people, if you want to help me out here to expose more people to crypto, make sure to right now smash up these likes, guys. I see we are watching with 1,800 live viewers, and usually only 50% is also subscribed to the channel and is also only liking the video. So if you're right now helping me out here with smashing up these likes here, we will be pushing this, of course, to more people here. And second of all, you will be helping out the channel as well. So if you are new to the stream, if you're new to the channel here, make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And also hit that like button here, because that will be mean a lot for me. And also, it will be boosting our video to more people. And in that way we can expose more people to crypto, because they're seeing a crypto thumbnail, a crypto YouTuber, because of course we are called Crypto Rover, and we will be only talking about crypto here, because crypto is just the best thing that you can talk about and the best thing that there will be. And I believe in crypto, and I put all my life gains on crypto. And if crypto is not going to work out, what's not going to happen, because I already know how the future will be here. Of course, it's still speculation. It can still go wrong here, and then I don't care, because I did it. I tried it at least. And if you don't try, you will never succeed in life. You will never be successful. And of course, I mean, if you're not exposed to crypto, in my opinion, you're at huge risk here. You are at huge risk if you're not exposed to crypto. And the point here is we are loving crypto all together here. Smash the like here, and we will never sell. Yeah, guys. The more people that are going to hold Bitcoin, the higher the price will go here. And you have to know, think about the next generation, what is coming here. Think about the next generation, how they are growing up here. I mean, there will be a very exciting times here. Especially think about where crypto can stand here in 10 years. I feel very excited once looking to the future, guys. Show the F2 pool dump once again. So of course I will be looking at F2 pool here. Let me check it. Let me check F2 pool here. Are we seeing something interesting here in F2 pool? Of course, that will be very, very exciting. But you can see F2 pool, of course, another big dump here from F2 pool just recently. We are seeing this live, of course, having this amazing opportunity here to look live here with CryptoQuant. Of course, very big shout out to CryptoQuant as well here. Yeah, if you want to sign up as well, you can do so. But yeah, you can see just 1 hour ago, we dropped off another 633 Bitcoins, guys. F2 pool is dumping their Bitcoins once again. You want to be careful, guys. You want to be careful. I told you already, we are right now dumping quite significantly. And we can see another leg down getting created anytime soon here. Of course, it's not as major as these 2.5K Bitcoin in the 1 hour candles. But yeah, we are really taking this in consideration, that we can see another leg down created because of this F2 pool right now. And Lewis, thank you for your supportive donation. You're saying, can we please check AGI against USD and AGI against Bitcoin? Of course. And guys, I see we smashed through the 700 likes here. Thank you so much, guys. You mean the world for me. You mean the most for me. And it's really lovely to see. So I will check AGI very quickly here. So thank you, of course, for helping out the channel here. And first of all, better perspective. I mean, this chart. Damn, man. What am I looking at? This is a better chart. This is a better chart already. So of course, sometimes it's very hard to find the charts. But I mean, going pretty high here. Going pretty high. You can see already increasing pretty significantly to the upside. Let me get this in front of me. Fibonacci 2. So breaking all kinds of resistance levels here on the top side. So right now, once again, fighting against this level here. So I will set up this this level over here, by the way. I will set up this Fibonacci level. So yeah, this will probably show a lot of significance here in the coming days and the coming hours here. Because this is, of course, levels that you do want to be watching. Levels that you do have to keep an eye out on. Because once you're not watching to these levels and just ignoring these levels, you're missing out here. And in my opinion, these levels are very important here. And you can see that the lower side is still getting respected pretty good here. But the top side is still holding us down here. Of course, the previous ultimate was holding us back here as well. But right now, rejecting us once again here. So you do want to be careful for this coin. You're creating this upward sloping resistance line here and upward sloping support line. So maybe you're forming some kind of rising wedge here, which usually are very bearish patterns here. So let's see what we are going to do here anytime soon with this coin. But I mean, you're creating a rising wedge here, so maybe you're going to see a breakout. And I mean, you want to be careful once trading in white wedges, especially on higher time frames. So yeah, it can still go either direction here, but in my opinion, a double top here already stopping out and not showing enough follow through here. Maybe we're going to have another reversal, but yeah, the more times we're going to test the top side here, the more likely it will be that we're going to break it. But yeah, you do want to be keeping in consideration once breaking down of this this rising wedge here. You can definitely consider yeah, going to take some profits here, because it can really move a little bit more to the downside. So also getting another support of the nation from Noah, and you're saying, I have a trade ready at the 52.8k here with a 40x leverage. So first of all, 40x leverage is a pretty high leverage. I mean, we are of course still anticipating the 52.8k here, but I mean, it really depends on what your symmetrical triangle is going towards, and maybe we still have to adjust our trade here. No, I'm not saying that we're necessarily going towards to that level, but I mean, I have my trade active on 52.6k, but this is of course on Femex, and maybe your digits are a little bit different because you're trading on a different exchange here. Please be careful here, and yeah, I mean, you also want to do your own research as well here. Then you are saying, let's see if the trade can go in here. Good luck on me, and good luck of course with your trade. I mean, 40x is pretty high, of course. I don't really use that high leverage, but I mean, you can see a symmetrical triangle here, pretty intense, because we can still move either direction. But I mean, a move down here is more likely. A move down is more likely here, in my opinion, because yeah, you're basically going into this trend to the downside here, forming a symmetrical triangle here, and the breakdown of a symmetrical triangle is also more likely to see here. Risky, but I have a good feeling about it. I mean, yeah, I completely agree with you, Lucas. I completely agree with you. Yeah, also, still big shout out to Miss Crypto. I mean, guys, would you consider subscribing to this channel here? I see we just also brought in 5 more subscribers. So if you haven't followed him already, I mean, he's also a true legend here. Make sure to follow him. Can definitely motivate him. Mr. Crypto, he really deserves it. You can definitely subscribe to his channel if you want to, of course. But he's making good content here, in my opinion. He's making always videos here, so we are always doing live streams on the channel here, but he's making videos here, so you can look at his videos as well here. He's making very good content here, so definitely check him out. And Shano Hudden is saying, love you, man. Thank you so much for letting me know, of course. Very lovely to hear, of course, that you are loving me. And you're saying, is it a good time to enter right now on Sheila's? And I mean, a lot of people are talking about it, and that is the reason why you want to be careful, because once everyone is talking about a coin, you do want to be actually not entering it, in my opinion. Of course, Shield is already performing very strong here recently, but it is cooling off here. Like I told you before, you do want to be careful, because the NFT hype, of course, is very big here, but it will be cooling off anytime soon, because it cannot go up in a straight line here. And that's also what we are right now seeing with Shield here, finally cooling off for a second here. Do want to be careful. Maybe we're going to create another leg up here, but then create a lower high and then still reverse to the downside here, because in my opinion, we are set to cool off for some period at least. We are set to cool off for some period, because you can see weekly still pretty overextended here. So in my opinion, yes, we're going to see another cool off period. Maybe we can see another bounce to the upside here, but I mean, I should not buy into Sheila's right now here. Yes, it can it can go up way higher here, but in my opinion, not looking to accumulate right now. If you're already exposed, I mean, I'm already exposed to Sheila's as well here for a longer period of time, but I mean, I'm not willing to buy right now at these levels. I'm not willing to buy around these levels, because in my opinion, yes, we can see another leg upgrading created here, but at the end of the day, we only will be going lower. So stage 2 of the rocket ship is starting for ADA. So yeah, thank you still for your support of the nation here, but I mean, let's see what ADA is right now doing here, because of course ADA is very interesting what we are seeing here today. How can I block spammers in YouTube chat? You can report them. But only moderators on the chat can block them here. So that's pretty unfortunate, of course. I would certainly love that everyone can do it, but I mean, then there will be a lot of manipulation here. Non-manipulation, but I mean, people will not use their their power. And oh, Lewis, you're saying AGI compared to Bitcoin. Sorry, I will check it. Sorry, I will be checking it. Sorry, I completely forgot it. So I will be checking it, Louise. I will be looking into it in a second here. Give me a moment. So yeah, what we are still seeing here is pretty exciting here. What we are still seeing here is looking very exciting for Cardano compared to US dollar. So yeah, creating a wick on this 4-hourly candle. So I will be looking at a compared to Bitcoin because I promised. Of course, compared to Bitcoin, it's looking pretty strong here, to be honest. You can see resistance line, upward sloping resistance line getting formed here. But it is probably holding up here once touching here. So maybe once you're touching this level, we can bounce up to the upside. So definitely looking forward to see where it is heading towards. And yeah, right now decreasing compared to Bitcoin. So because Bitcoin also decreasing, this coin is definitely decreasing pretty hard here. So you do want to be careful, of course, with this, in my opinion. But yeah, maybe we're going to find some support on this level later on. Once we cannot hold on to this previous level here. So yeah, definitely multiple levels that you can be looking at. And you just created this a big dump to the downside once again here. But yeah, you can also have this gray box scenario set up here. So I mean, this level will probably hold up pretty strong here in my opinion. So definitely we'll be looking forward to see where this coin is heading towards. And let's see if this gray box will be holding up. But yeah, you can see previous resistance will most likely flip into support here. So looking very exciting. But yeah, still haven't seen this breakout of the symmetrical triangle here. And guys, this stream of today won't be 4 hours or so. I can already tell you. So maybe we're not even going to see it because this can definitely take maybe three or 4 more hours there. So of course I would sure love to see it, but I have also pretty busy days. I would certainly love to do a daily. I'm also always doing a daily live stream here. So guys, let me know if you love these daily live streams. So what will be happening with Bitcoin? We are still in indecision for now on. Bitcoin still can go either direction here, in my opinion. We can still see another leg down getting created, what is more likely, in my opinion. But yeah, if we're going to break to the top side of this symmetrical triangle, yes, we can move higher. We can go towards the 58, towards the 59k here. At Crypto, when are you going to open a long position here? You can check the Discord server right away here, because in Trading Challenge I shared my thoughts of my next trade here that I will be taking for Bitcoin. So yeah, if you have joined the Discord server already, you can do so right away here. I mean, yeah, you guys are all massively joining it, and it will be, of course, very amazing if you're doing so. It may take 12 hours. Yeah, I mean, it's Bitcoin. It can take as long as it wants to, because Bitcoin is always doing its own thing here. People are saying Ethereum bullish or bearish. I mean, still feel very bullish by Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty undervalued here at the moment. So accumulating Ethereum right now at these levels is definitely a thing that you have to consider here. Market's still indecisive. Yeah, you're completely right here. It's very hard to say what the market will do here. It's very hard to say what the market, because a symmetrical triangle in a downtrend is usually breaking to the downside, but a symmetrical triangle is usually a bullish bias pattern. So it's very hard to say. It's very hard to say. And also having a little bit of a headache here, so that's pretty unfortunate. Using 40x doesn't make you brave. I mean, yeah, 40x is pretty high leverage here. Not necessarily should use it. And CryptoCon Science, thank you for tuning in here once again into the chat. And you're saying, okay, check out T-Fuel and Harmony One here. So Harmony One, we just checked it. So I will be checking T-Fuel here. Theta Fuel. So I will be checking Theta Fuel for you. So yeah, thank you so much for joining into the stream here once again, CryptoCon Science. And we were first looking at the symmetrical triangle possibility on the lower time frame, on the 1 hourly. So yeah, we saw a breakout, but not really a lot of follow through here, so that's pretty unfortunate. So yeah, I will be removing this. But I mean, yeah, Theta Fuel also pretty overextended. But maybe you can say that we are forming this. Let me see, parallel channel here. We're forming a parallel channel to the. And this is usually a bull flag. Sorry, usually this is a bull flag here. And you can call it a parallel channel to the downside here. But in my opinion, this is a bull flag. And a bull flag can be very, very nice on this coin, because you can see a huge run-up getting started here. And if you're going to see a breakout to the upside here, this can definitely be a very strong target of approximately 60 cents here. So, in my opinion, Theta Fuel is looking very strong here. We're set to have another major rally to the upside here. So, yeah, you can consider getting into Theta Fuel right now here, because Theta Fuel is looking very strong here in the immediate short term. So, yeah, let's see where we are heading towards. Stimulus checks makes me feel it's going to break to the upside here. Yeah, I mean, definitely. I mean, stimulus checks are still around here, guys. You don't want to forget it. But I mean, Theta Fuel, yeah, we can definitely see that this is a bull flag here. We can definitely confirm that this scenario can be a bull flag, and we can see massive follow through to the upside. So yeah, Theta Fuel is looking strong. Let's see where it is heading towards. Let's see where it's heading towards, because of course that's always very exciting what we are having here. But yeah, look at the CME. Very nice wick created here. Gap, I mean, we filled it. And after that, of course, we filled the gap. And since then, everything is history. We all know what happened with Bitcoin. But I mean, Bitcoin is right now just a leading indicator, but it's not really doing anything. The volume is also so low here, so it's not very interesting what Bitcoin is doing here. We're going to see massive volatility returning in the market anytime soon here, guys. You have to know it. We're going to see massive volatility in the market once again anytime soon. So that's the thing that I do like to see here, of course. I like volatility in the market. I must say, with a 46 liquidation here, I mean, never should write your trades to 0. Always use the stop loss. But I mean, 46k is not a target that we are going to reach anytime soon here. Anytime soon, we're not going to reach it. People are saying, like the stream and pump it up. I mean, yeah, would be certainly lovely if you're liking the stream here, because we're only 3 likes away from the 800. And by the way, a thing that we are also getting very close to is the 25.6k subscribers, guys. So if you haven't already, you can right away subscribe to the channel here. I can see that we are only 22 subscribers away here. So let me know who hasn't subscribed yet in the chat here. Because if you're right now subscribed to the channel, it would be, of course, very lovely. And if you're right now subscribing, let me know in the chat. It would be, of course, very cool. Because I will give you a quick shout out, of course. But I mean, we're only 22 subscribers away here. And I would certainly love to see this target getting reached here. I would certainly love this target getting reached. Because, yeah, we are, in the end of the day, we certainly would love to go towards the 100k anytime soon here, guys. We will make this community a very strong one. And of course, also in the Discord server, we're just becoming so strong altogether. Because we are working together, we are becoming such a strong community. I hate sideways action. I have to agree with you, man. And see, you guys are all smashing up these subscriber buttons here. I see already coming in 10 more subscribers. So thank you guys so much here. Thank you so much here. Can you check GRT? Yes, of course, I will check GRT here. So we'll check GRT. So GRT, of course, also moving down here. I just subscribed to Balaya. Thank you so much. Speedanon, also thank you so much here. Substance 5k, Delhi LETV. Yeah, you're also a legend here. Already subbed. Yeah, I know you guys already subbed a lot here. A lot of you guys are already subbed. So, I mean, thank you so much for joining the channel here. But yeah, if you look to GRT, GRT is not looking very strong here, in my opinion, guys. Just like what we were seeing with Polkadot here, this coin as well, GRT, not looking very good, not particularly looking very good, because you can see symmetrical triangle getting formed, and we were breaking to the downside here. And right now, we are finding resistance at the previous supportive level here. And this is making me feel a little bit, this is concerning me a little bit here. This is making me feel a little bit conservative, because we can definitely see another leg down getting created here for for GRT. So I mean, this is very scary what we are seeing. Also a rejection on the top side here, creating a wick. So it's really showing that we are getting rejected right now, guys. So you do want to be careful with GRT right now, in my opinion. Of course, just like we saw with Polkadot here, it can be a fake out here. But yeah, in my opinion, we can see this rejection getting solidified here. You do want to be careful. You do want to be careful here. So this is my my quick thought about GRT. You're right now getting this major rejection here. Not looking strong. Also have to work out still later on today. So that I will be doing a workout after the stream. So I have to do one. Please don't spam in the chat here, because if you're spamming in the chat, you will right away will get blocked here. So yeah, guys, we are only 4 subscribers away here. We're coming very close to the 25.6k. What's your take on Matic here? So I will be looking at Matic here for you. I mean, also a lot of people are talking about Matic, but usually once a lot of people are talking about a certain project here, it's usually a bad thing here. But I mean, you can see we were creating also some kind of a rising wedge here. But if you look at the rising wedge here, you can see that we are heading right now to the downside here. We were breaking to the upside. And since we're right now moving down here, maybe once touching this level, we can definitely move higher once again here. So I will get very excited once looking to the chart, of course. GRT looks nasty. Yeah, GRT is not looking particularly strong right now. But yeah, sorry. Matic is right now, yeah, of course, reversed to the downside, but you do want to buy these dips. But I mean, once touching this level, this can definitely be a very strong accumulation level. But guys, I do want to go into another quick chart here. Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the daily, what Bitcoin is doing here. Because if you look to the daily, I mean, I really like this rising wedge scenario here. I really like that rising wedge scenario here. So yeah, maybe we're seeing some kind of the rising wedge playing out here. And maybe we haven't touched this level clearly yet. So looking forward to see maybe another touch of this level here would certainly be a lovely thing to see here. And yeah, let's see if we're going to touch this level. But yeah, Bitcoin is right now moving to the upside. Bitcoin is pumping a little bit here, guys. Bitcoin is pumping a little bit here, and I'm getting very excited, of course. I'm getting very excited seeing this. And Ian, once again, thank you for supporting the channel here. You're saying, do you think we're going to break out of the triangle in a bullish way or in a more bearish way, according to the TA that you are telling us right now? I mean, if you really look to the charts, it's more likely to see a breakdown here to the break up here. Of course, you always, the technicals, you can never know it for sure, and that's the reason why you do want to wait on breakout. But yeah, if you just look at the market sentiment is right now, you're seeing a leg down getting created. Leg down is getting created, and because you're seeing a leg down, forming a pattern, symmetrical triangles in bearish momentums are always breaking to the downside here. And that is also the thing that I am anticipating, because it's more likely to see the symmetrical triangle break to the downside. But once we are seeing a break of this top side here, and then see, of course, the retest, then you can certainly open a long position. So this will be, of course, a thing that we will be keeping an eye out on. But in my opinion, yes, it's more likely to break to the downside here than to the upside. So very exciting what we are seeing here, of course. But I mean, definitely keeping an eye out on the chart here, and always after the stream here, I will keep you guys up to date here. And guys, we are literally 1 subscriber away from 25.6k here, so getting very exciting here. Getting very excited here. Guys, thank you so much here once again for tuning in here today. I mean, it was a very exciting day. Of course, a little bit later today, because usually I would love to go a little bit earlier on to these live streams. I mean, of course, still very cool that you guys are still tuning in here. Very cool to see. Dump or not? So a dump or not? I mean, yeah, I still cannot say. Yes, we can see a dump. And it really depends on where we are breaking towards. So I can literally say where we are going towards in, let's say, 2 hours. But for now, it's very hard to say. And this is the thing. Once seeing this breakout either direction, guys, I will keep you guys up to date here. I will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. I will keep you guys up to date in the Discord server. I will keep you guys in the Discord server, because I can see right now, I'm looking to the Discord and I'm getting very excited because we're so close to the 10k members here, guys. We're coming so close to the 10k members here. I missed out. So yeah, I mean, if you haven't already, people are saying subscribe. Yeah, we just right now just reached it. So yeah, still thank you so much here. We're reaching amazing targets here. We're working together so strong. Whoa, we just got another 30 subscribers, guys. You guys are all massively subscribing to the channel here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much here. Thank you so much. And also another supporter super chat here. And this is from you, Drew. And you're saying, love the channel here. About bad at 8 cents here. It's pumped today. What do you think about holding it on and moving it into Bitcoin and Ethereum profits here? And also thoughts about Reef. So thank you once again for your support of donation. And BAT was a coin that I was thinking of talking about just a moment ago already, because Basic Attention Token is such an important and very good project. So we were looking at Basic Attention Token already for multiple times here. And of course, we were seeing, once we were looking at Basic Attention Token first, we were looking at the symmetrical triangle here. Break it to the upside here, of course. After that, was not doing anything interesting. But yeah, you can see it right now. This is very important if we are looking to Basic Attention Token right now. Because, of course, we have wicked to 94 cents. But what we do want to see here right now are multiple things here. Of course, we are creating this downward slope, upward sloping resistance line here for Basic Attention Token. But what we are also seeing here is that we are always getting rejected by this Fibonacci level. So what I do want to see right now here is a breakthrough of the 0.786 level before flipping insanely bullish, of course. I do want to see this 4-hourly candle close above it, but right now we are getting massively rejected here. So this is, of course, pretty unfortunate because multiple resistance levels are coming together And I still want to see a break of this level. So for now, it is looking like that we are getting rejected. So of course, this is a chart that you do want to keep an eye out on. Do want to close this for early can above the 0.869 cents here, and after that we can be looking at multiple opportunities here for the future, of course. So also you're wondering, should you move it to your profits to Ethereum or Bitcoin? And I'm also usually exposed to basic attention token, and for me, I'm still going to sit on basic attention token for a little bit longer here, because I do think it can go up way higher here. But first I will be talking about Reef a little bit more here, because Reef, of course, also performing very strong. Recently, of course, right now it's of course decreasing in valuation, and if you look to Reef here, you have very strong buying opportunities around this gray box here. And probably, I don't know if you're looking to buy into Reef here, or if you're looking to get out of Reef. But if you're looking to buy into Reef here, you can look at buying around this gray box here. So the 0.035 cents here will be the level that you can buy a little bit more into Reef here. So definitely once touching this level, you can maybe consider opening a trade here or accumulating some more Reef. So for now on, you do want to be waiting here, because I do think it's more likely to see a touch of this level and then go a little bit higher once again here. But the 1 hourly is getting pretty undervalued here. So we're probably looking for a bounce anytime soon here. And I still see people saying a lot, mark giveaway, please. So I told you before, we're going to do a mark giveaway once we're reaching the 25.8k live in the stream here. I will be streaming for very long here, so I don't think we're going to touch it, to be honest. But yeah, still, you have to know, I don't have a lot of mugs right now, but I ordered more mugs here. But once I have more mugs at my place here, once again, I will be sending more mugs to you guys. And yeah, so yeah, definitely be subscribed to the channel here, because you will be eligible to win more mugs later on. And Raymond also saying here real quickly, you're saying I guesstimate that we will be breaking the 58.1k here and then down to 52k, and I hopefully bounce up to 62.7k here. If I'm mistaken, I will be seeing a 43.8k soon here. I mean, Raymond, that's definitely a thing that I was also keep in consideration here, because I don't know why these super chats are always showing up so late here. I don't know what it is doing. I literally don't know here. But Raymond, but yeah, still thank you so much for your super chats here. I mean, these super chats sometimes shows up a little bit late here, but I mean, it's more likely to see still a little bit more bearish than bullish on Bitcoin right now. Still a little bit more bearish than bullish on Bitcoin right now. Will you be streaming earlier for the rest of the week? And Dean Harvey, I certainly once on let's say the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I will be streaming early at least. And I would certainly love to do it every day, but I have a lot of appointments this week, and I'm working to get my own place as well here. So, of course, also some huge things for the channel coming, and you can see already I'm trying to make better quality here. Also with the face cam recently coming in here, you can see also the new banner. We're trying to make the content as well better, but I certainly would love to do it every single day at early hours, Dean Harvey, but it will be a little bit hard for me. And of course, let's say in 6 weeks or so, once I can move out here, I have the opportunity to do so. So it will be a little bit more, yeah, not really a good schedule here. So of course, I will be streaming every single day, but I don't know the exact time yet. But of course, the Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, I will be doing it at early hours. But yeah, still very cool that you guys are still in here. And Abdul also donated here, and you're saying Harmony 1, please. And of course, I will check Harmony 1. So guys, also thank you so much for the 900 likes here. You guys are insane. You guys are so lovely. You guys are so supportive. So once again, I will check Harmony 1 here, because Harmony 1, a lot of hype around it. And we were talking about Harmony 1 just a second ago, and we were looking at the 1 hourly time frame. And once looking to the 1 hourly time frame, you can see this. You can see on Harmony 1 we are forming a symmetrical triangle here. So that's of course very amazing to see once again here. Oh, that is pretty early. That's pretty late, Dean Harvey. So big shout out for you still staying up here. And Dean Harvey, you have to know, I will be streaming earlier once I have the opportunity once again here. But yeah, sorry bro. So first of all, looking at Harmony 1. So looking at Harmony 1, you can see right now creating this symmetrical triangle here. And symmetrical triangle, of course, bullish bias pattern, especially because you are in an uptrend here. It depends. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, we're right now in a downtrend. So that's the reason why I'm a little bit more bearish on it. But this coin is going in an uptrend, forming this symmetrical triangle here. So in my opinion, yes, we can definitely see another leg up getting created for Harmony 1 here. And it can be, of course, also a pretty significant leg here to the upside. So If we're going to break to the top side, we can definitely see a Harmony sitting around 13 cents here. So looking forward towards at all times here. So calls on the Leica. Oh, that's pretty funny. So let me see. When did you buy Bitcoin? I bought Bitcoin at multiple levels here. I also bought it in the Corona dump, of course, in 2017. Bought it for 8K. Bought it for 3.8K was my cheapest buy here in the bear market. And that was also the thing what was raising a lot of awareness once again, because I literally bought it, and that day, the day after, it was surging to 5.8K here. So in the bear market, I bought it, and the day after, it already increased approximately 25% or so, 20 to 25%. And that caught a lot of awareness once again here, because I was, of course, looking a lot to Bitcoin, but it was getting I was not looking a lot anymore to it. So once that happened, of course, it completely turned me on once again here and motivated me a lot. And of course, right now, I'm extremely motivated, of course, also because I'm sharing more thoughts with you guys here on the YouTube channel here and also the Discord. I mean, right now I will never stop, of course, doing it. I'm loving it, and I see also that we are only 100 members away in the Discord server. I mean, that means a lot for me, because I really love to build a community here, and we're just doing it very strong together here. We're just doing it very strong together here, and I'm certainly love to see it, guys. I bought a 10K here. I mean, buying a 10K is still a very, very good buy and very cheap buy as well here. So you're doing a very strong job here. Definitely lovely to see. And guys, let me know where you guys all bought your Bitcoin. At which price did you guys bought your Bitcoin? Let me know. How old are you, Critter? I'm 20 years old. Let me know. Let me know which price did you guys bought your Bitcoin. Which price did you bought your first Bitcoin? I'm getting quite curious. Let me know. Let me know what you guys bought your first Bitcoin at, because then we can see a little bit how long you guys are already into this market. Is it a good thing to buy Bitcoin at 10K? I mean, we're never going to go back to 10K, to be honest. 15K, people saying. Yeah, I'm talking in dollars. I'm not talking in euros. I'm talking in dollars. What's your first Bitcoin you bought? I bought in 2017 around the 8K here, so 6 towards 8K, 2017. Korean, no life in Western Australia. 20K, 33 euros, 4K, 30K, 19K, 56K, 22K, 20K, 35K, 12K. I mean, relatively cheap, and still, also, I see a lot of people still bought at 30K here. And I mean, that's definitely a good thing that you did bought at these levels here. In my opinion, it's still a good buy here. I see 1200. I mean, oh, you bought Bitcoin around 1200. I wish I knew about Bitcoin by then. I wish I knew it once it was sitting around 1200 US dollars. And 1.9K. Oh, damn, you guys are all buying at cheap prices here. 60K, 72K. Oh, that cannot even be true. 11 cents. Oh, that's pretty insane. 3 weeks ago, 22K. I mean, guys, buying around 30K level is still doing a very good job here. I think, especially if you're here for the long run here, you are doing a very strong job here, guys. Let me. You guys are very insane. I mean, I love the community here. How long have you been training here? Roughly for 4 years, but already profitable 2 years. 8.8K here, 38K. I mean, you guys are buying at very good levels here. When you were 20, you cannot buy in 2017. Yes, you can, because previously you did in the Netherlands you did not need it KYC here. I was buying Bitcoin, and my parents were supporting me as well here. I was 15. I was 15 and I was looking to Bitcoin already. I was 15 and I was looking to Bitcoin already, because all my mindset was always, it's maybe a bad thing, but I was always like, I need to make money. I need to get rich. That's maybe a very bad mindset here, but that was the thing that really turned me on in crypto, because I saw a huge opportunity here, and yeah, I really love it. 61K here. I mean, yeah, 61K. Of course, you are not buying at a bad place here, even though that you're in loss right now. Just a matter of time here. I just started with crypto. Put 8K in Bitcoin and 2K into Ethereum. You're doing a good job. Definitely make sure to sit on it. Nice parents. Yeah, I mean, your parents has to be supportive of what you want here. Your parents want to be super supportive, and also my father is an entrepreneur, and he likes to see me yeah, just taking action and looking at something. I was 13 when I bought my first Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, definitely. You can buy it how old you want. You can buy how old you want here. It doesn't matter how old you are. Just, yeah, of course, it depends on your parents, of course. I think we all do. Bitcoin, I say we need to pump. Yeah, we definitely need to pump here. But guys, it was a very nice stream here. Which is the best crypto to start trading on? I think Bitcoin is the safest to trade on here. Money is freedom. Yeah, that's completely true. But guys, what I will do right now is, unfortunately, I will be wrapping up the stream here. But guys, you have to know, I will be back here tomorrow. And it was, of course, a very exciting stream today. And I really want to thank you a lot here. I want to thank you all for tuning in here. It was an amazing stream here. And of course, for the final thing here, what I do want to say here, you can still sign up with the FEMX training challenge here, because there is still an ongoing challenge here, guys. And still a lot of people don't know about it here. And we still have 7 days to apply for this challenge. So you can still go to the description here. If you already signed up with the FEMX, you only need 0.05 Bitcoin to participate this challenge, and you can win up to 45 Bitcoin here, divided by 4, because if we are winning, we are making, of course, very good gains here, and you can join the Crypto Rover team. What is one of the strongest teams right now in the competition here, so make sure to join it, because if we're working together, we can make good gains together here. So definitely consider joining this challenge here. And if you cannot find this, you can search for the team over here, but you can also go to the highest link in the description here and join the team. Crypto Rover will be the very strongest team here. We will be crushing it, and we will be showing how strong we are. And you guys have to know, the more people that are on a team, the more stronger the team is getting, and the more likely it is that you're going to crush the market and going to win as well here. So make sure to join the team as well here. And guys, thank you so much for once again tuning in here. I will see you guys in the Discord server after the stream here. And guys, for the last time here, I will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Sorry, I put it, unfortunately, to starting soon. But guys, see ya.